Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day. Hang on a sec. Is that better? That looks better. Okay. Monkey. Hang on, wait. I gotta do this. I gotta do one thing super fast, and then we'll get it going. No, it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it. Hang on, hang on. I'll shout everybody out in just a second. Hang on, hang on. We got it. We got it. Wait for it. No, nothing. Dial M for monkey. What's going on, everybody? Hey, welcome to the stream. Hey. I sprinted up here. I did dial B for Bing Lord. Everybody gets some mms in the chat. Yes, for monkey. Holy shit. When I tell you every single thing went wrong today, everything. Every single thing went wrong, and I couldn't tell you why. But here we are. I was so close to calling out, and I'm glad I didn't, because so many wonderful people are here. Okay, there's a couple of things we gotta clear right off the riff, and then we gotta get Cartoon in here. So let me bring us back. Just a sec. Yes, this one. Ooh, I just need a second to breathe. How's it going, everybody? Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. My God, look at all these names. Look at all these names. Look at this. Thank you for all the new follows. Dude, let me run back here. My son, my boy, my son never looked better. Look at all of this, dude. Wow. Okay, so in my lab, I got monkey in my lab. Yeah. Thank you for that. Okay, couple things right off the rip. Thank you, everybody, for showing up early. I know we said 1 o'clock today. I'm way late. Today was nuts. Today was one of the craziest days I think I've had in a long time. And a lot's happened since I saw you last. I'm going to go through and say hi in just a second. There's a bunch of stuff we got to get off, clear the board, essentially. I don't want to move forward until I take a second and I give thanks to everyone who has been so unbelievably generous to this channel. Yesterday's Jude gifted 10 community subs an hour ago. I was supposed to be live at 1, and yesterday's Jude showed up and gifted subs. If you got a sub from yesterday's Jude, I need you to pop the fuck off. And you're here right now. Say thank you, share your favorite Shogundi emote. That is insane. A hype train also happened 55 minutes ago from the 10 gift subs. So I want to say thank you so much for the hype train. And then Tuesday, we were on the Cartoon Therapy stream. I was on there. We did an interview. It was amazing. We had such a great time. And I learned about the majesty of ghost trains, which, if you don't know, there are these things called ghost trains which wander through the ethereal void of offline Twitch channels. And when you do things like hang out with your buddy and go and get interviewed, and you're just thinking you're having a good time, and then it was too late. And by the time I found out, there was a hype train, a ghost train going on my channel, thanks to Chris Mack and Art and Jest and so many wonderful people. We hit a level 10 record-breaking hype train, and I wasn't even live on my own stream. What the fuck? Unreal support. I don't even know if I can go back and see it, but it was unbelievable. Yesterday's Juju also gave out 10 community gifted subs 4 days ago. So 20 subs total. We smashed every record. Here it is. Level 10, 14% hype train with 18 gifted subs and 24,000 bits. Guys, thank you. Everybody who has been following from Tuesday on to today, everyone who is here early. I am beyond words. Today was so tough. Today was like everything went wrong. Everything was trying to stop me from streaming, but I persevered. I pushed through. We got it done. We got everything we needed done. Dude, Doc Croc, Linda Love, Jay Stinch, thank you guys so much for coming in here, for following the stream. I normally have anonymous follows, but I am so frazzled and just grateful and just in shock and awe at the turnout today already. So want to go through and say hi to everybody. If you are a subscriber, we got 1s and 2s. If you don't, share another 1 and 2. Sound off. Let me see who's here. Let me say hi to you formally and say thank you for being here. Jules, Silly Girl, Toad Sparks, my man. Can't keep the Shogundy down. No, absolutely not. Linda Love is here. Enemy Mouse, the legend Enemy Mouse, Mel Sunflower, Neon Sock Media, my soon-to-be Fortnite partner in the no-build verse, undefeated.
We say in Gongania, 51 whenever you get married.
Hey, if you don't got ones, drop a 51 in the chat. Let me see them. No Heels, it's so good to see you. Thank you for the 51. Charles, holy crap. Chillin' Panda. Cartoon Therapy. I got to get you in here next. You're next. I think I have everything else ready here. I don't even want to go and look at my other scenes right now. It's a mess. 51, where we dropping? You know we dropping up top side at the docks. You know we drop at the docks. That's where we're dropping. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. I'm so... and then we're playing Wukong today! Wukong. Vitamin Pug, my bro, I'm so proud of you, and I cannot believe the tremendous amount of work you put into your stream these past couple of days. It looks so good, dude. I'm so excited for you, for Mom Boy, for everybody. Like, we got so much good shit coming this year, man. I love my friends. I'm so happy to be here. I'm glad we finally persevered and got through. Let me know, Vince, if you're ready. I'm going to get some water because I am parched. We're going to jump in. I'm in the game right now. I've got my monkey here, but we're going to start over from the beginning so you can see it and all of you can experience the game for the very first time. Your good shit coming this year. Yes. I'm so pumped, dude. Vitamin Renaissance. Absolutely. Sweets missed yesterday. Oh, it's okay. No worries. I'm ready when you are. No rush. Okay. Yeah, y'all are awesome. Lube up. Yeah, I got to get lubricated. Bad, so good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Good choice in the background music. Yeah. I got some good jams loaded up here. We're here today. Much love, dude. Much appreciated, everybody. Yeah. Green Giant, thank you for the sub. The raw tier 1 sub. Unbelievable. Thank you guys so much for the support. I'm going to get some water and we'll get Vince in here. Hang on 2 seconds. All right. Let's do it. Let's get him in here. I've stalled long enough. Y'all have waited long enough. All right, let's turn this down. Get this here. Okay, I'm going to have everything ready. I'm going to call you now. Get him in here. Get him in here. There he is. We're going to figure it out. Don't worry. Trust. Yeah, vocally. Psionically. I can sense your presence. Yeah, in the voice of my ancestors, I can hear you and see you. Let me get this added in here. Oh my God, how are they Shut up. How amazing. What do you know what kind of monkey they are, or is it still a simian? Okay. Keep telling me more while I'm definitely not doing this in real time to crop you out and Woo mode? I Whoa. Keep going. My dreams, they're in my dreams, right? So they see me, I go to bed and then they'll visit me like Lunarians in the night. Yeah. Yeah, give me Hey. Hey. Look at us. You want me to flip you? Yeah. Okay. All right. Whoa. All right. Here we go. Transform and rotate, flip. There you are. And then whoa. We're here, dude. We made it. We absolutely made it. This is it. Too quiet? All right, let me turn you up. So you're too quiet. Turn up.
The monkey man. He's a monkey man.
He's a monkey man. Can you mute Vince? Yeah, they want me to mute you. What do you think about that?
With pleasure. You can mute me, and then I will just act like the simian that
Yeah.
I know I can be, and
Okay.
I can kind of do performance art based on your gameplay.
Okay, hang on.
Keep it like that. Keep
No,
it
like that. That's good. How do you do this? Oh, you're gone now.
You can, yeah, this is even better. You can raise my volume maybe directly in Discord. You can make another audio source. I
How's that?
should have asked you how your audio. You guys tell me. Is this any better? I sound a little robo-mo.
Little
robo
robo brobo.
The monkey
Man.
The monkey man.
He's a monkey man.
It's fucking true. You know it's fucking true. He's got
I see what I did.
little monkey face and
Okay.
the little
Capture
monkey
audio beta.
nose.
Shog on the board.
Oh God.
Shog on the board.
Oh,
Shog is on the board. Did you hear that?
wow, that's so. Look at you. It was like your Squirtle form, or maybe it was your Wartortle form.
That was a stream of my ancestors past, if you will. It came to me in a dream, in a vision, a visage, as we like to say. I'm starting to feel like too. Maybe I should, because I want to naturally turn to look at you this way. So maybe I should just flip myself.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yourself off
Oh, we're so back.
times.
Are you getting any of the audio from the stream, or is it just?
No, but it's okay. I in my head, through your grandparents' influence, I'm able to hear the audio from the stream.
How's your
And I can't
size?
explain that.
Do we have any artifacts?
Well,
Anything?
many people have said just right.
For Cusco. Right. Cusco's poison.
Yes.
The one I gave.
It's good.
And by many, I
Cusco.
mean about 2 in my entire
It's all
life.
coming together. Oh, you know he's got a point.
Yep. Yep. Everything's working. Okay. Is he still quiet? How are we doing? Everybody, thank you for the bits. Holy shit. Barbie Zodiac is here. Metalcore Wolf is here. Laylo. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for being patient and waiting on this madness.
This is fun.
Yeah.
I like doing this kind of stuff. You know,
Me
what I mean?
too.
I feel like I can branch out. I can just be different. I can start getting fucking weird. You know what I mean? I could just get crazy with it. Dude.
This is perfect. This is great. Okay, so now I need you to be able to see what's going on as like little latency as possible. Should we try streaming it from Discord? Do you think you're good on your end?
We can try it. If you happen to have like a high-powered, amazing computer, this will work great.
Yeah.
If you don't, it'll not work great. And in which case, then I'll just watch
Cusco.
with a little delay.
Okay.
Right.
Try
Cusco's
it.
poison.
Did
The
they
one
say
I
that
gave.
my
For Cusco.
everything else was good? The
It's all
volume
coming
was
together.
fixed? Okay,
Yeah.
so they'll
You
have
know
to
he's
tell
got a
me. Now
point.
I'm seeing the game,
Mm-hmm.
but can you do a display stream instead of a game stream?
Oh, just my display.
For some weird reason, for some reason, gives a delay on that kind of stream. I've
Yeah.
found.
Okay. So just rather instead of
Yeah,
okay.
but it looked like it seems like that's gonna work. I have to tell you.
I'm thrilled at that. Screens. You want screen 1, go live. We're gonna
Yeah.
put you up top, cover everything else. We're figuring this out in real
Yeah.
time.
So I'm getting a little bit of like it's a little fucked up.
Okay. Like just to kind of look around and see, is it not?
Yeah, like it's tough. It's having
Okay.
a hard time. So you've tried a screen share for your whole screen, and you've tried to share specifically just the application window.
Yeah, the whole desktop. Yeah.
So if they're both fucked up, let's just try it for a minute and see.
Okay.
Let's just try it.
Okay.
Maybe
We'll run it.
it'll-
We'll run it
it'll
back.
Fix itself. Just
I
like
set-
my parents' marriage seemingly fixed itself because they're
Yeah.
back together.
Course corrected it in its own special way, and that's what we're gonna do on the stream, live and in color. I'm gonna go back to the title, and then are you getting audio? Can you hear the game? Is everybody? Are you able to
yeah,
hear
yeah.
Vincent? Are we good on that?
Yes, it sounds like an ape-based sound.
Like the apes have escaped.
Yeah, yeah. This, in many ways, this is the real Ape Escape 2. Is that correct?
This is but we're the ones on the loose now. Now we can do. You're free from the confines of Cartoonia. You can do whatever you want over here. I don't. You, full permission.
Hearing Vince, but a little robot filtery. Ooh,
No.
a little echoey. Oh.
You see, you sound good to me, but I wonder if.
So, it might have something to do with the simian kind of nature of what's going on here.
What about now? Is that any better?
I'm talking.
Yeah, keep going.
Again.
Tell me about my
trying
ancestors
to-
playing Wukong.
So people don't know this, but Shogundi's grandfather and great-grandfather are currently also playing Wukong in his dreamscape.
I figured
which
it
is
out.
a technique that you can utilize if you pray really hard.
I'm praying.
Yeah,
Our Father, who art in Wukong,
that's right.
monkey be thy name.
Hello,
Go, no, you go.
Thy wooey Kong. Ha!
This is amazing. I love streaming. Don't
Great.
you?
Me too. Yeah, I
Oh.
have to say, this is really a lot of fun.
Yeah.
This kind of stuff. The fact that we just kind of jokingly said we were going to do this, and now we do. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah.
great.
Yeah. I want to say again, big thank you to everybody waiting so patiently on us, partially dicking around. I think I've got it. I think they said you sound good. You sound good to me. You can see,
Right.
I can see, we can hear and see each other. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
This game is
So
nuts.
now listen.
Yeah.
Shogundi promised me
Mhm.
with his right hand on a Bible that he has not played or watched anything about this game, and that he's never played it ever and knows nothing about it.
Not once.
So I'm expecting you to really have followed through on that, and we'll experience the woo together equally.
We're gonna woo each other, and then all communally together, we're gonna woo like we've never wooed. In Kong, in Kong we trust. Hand on the jitter Bible. I swear.
Oh, where's my jitter Bible?
Where's your jitter Bible?
It's in my gym bag because I've been reading my book while I'm on the Stairmaster at the freaking
Yeah.
gym.
So you just again confirm you've not seen, heard, watched anything.
I know, genuinely, I know nothing other than you are a monkey and he's having fun.
Monkey. All right, here we go. New journey.
You know what's cool? I'm also hearing your soundtrack.
Oh, you can.
Welcome. I
Yeah.
like it though.
Should I switch it off?
Ah. Either way,
Here.
if we're trying to get the woo,
Yeah, I want us to experience the woo in full form. Here we go.
now this is Woo Kong, right?
Yeah, the Wukong. Don't leave me hanging.
Oh shit!
Now's your time. Take a screenshot. Here we go. We made it. Ah! Dude. Just straight in.
Oh my god! It's fucking Galactus.
Yeah. And all his buddies are here. We're here, buddy. We made it.
Oh, this is already great.
Oh! Flying Nimbus!
Wow, look at them.
Yeah, this is on medium. This isn't even like
Now, that's
Ultra Max.
considered. Oh, you guys don't have the chat doesn't have game audio. Damn.
No game audio? Oh
Well,
shit.
we do, and that's the important thing.
Yeah, you can experience the game through us. Okay. I'm afraid to stop it now. Shit.
Can you hit pause, or will it skip it?
It might skip it. No audio? Shit. You're right. All right. Before we keep going, I'm just gonna fix it now. We'll do it again before because there's a lot more that comes
Oh, it
after this.
skips it. Interesting. Okay.
Oh,
If you know what, you can stop streaming to me if it makes any difference. Somehow your stream is almost the exact same.
oh, perfect.
You must have some hyper powered computer after all, because what I'm seeing is almost exactly what stream is seeing time
Yeah,
wise.
I actually paid for it in Wukong Blood Diamonds, so like it's full circle today, really.
And you had access to those given your medallion.
Yeah, my
I know.
ancestors
Yeah.
passed down the medallion to me as well. Oh man, well, I can't give away too much, but I mean, you understand. It's blood curses and rituals and all of that. We made it. Okay, so
Now,
I need to get
it-
the game. Sorry.
Yeah, no. While you're doing that, I just want to make sure that I'm correct in this. That was considered Hercules, right? That we were seeing the biggest
Yeah.
giant in the clouds.
You did
So
you
Wukong,
you did your
yeah,
homework.
Will be going against Hercules in this,
Yeah.
and I love that. I can't wait because I've wanted to kick Hercules' ass since I was a kid because he was in love with Megara.
Yeah, he did. He stole him from you, right?
Yeah.
Bastard. So yeah, we're gonna kick Hercules' ass because he stole Megara from the movie from Vince. It was your first true love, and this is like payback for
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. If you're sharing the screen in Discord, we won't have sound. See, I don't know how it works like that, but I guess
Interesting.
it does, and
Okay.
I'm okay for that.
So if I go back, then we start over. This is great. This is
gonna be-
exactly what everything I had planned for today.
So we you know what? Every good piece of seaweed has to have seasoning, as I say. So we're just seasoning the seaweed right now
Mm-hmm.
and making sure everything is good. What's interesting is I'm realizing if you don't share, how do people do this? If you don't share the audio to me,
Yeah.
I won't hear it.
Yeah.
Right. But if you share it to me, then they won't hear it. So
Yeah.
what I will have to do is turn up the Twitch stream like just slightly so I hear us echoing, but then I can make it louder when there's like a cutscene, which is what
How
I'll do.
God, yeah, there's got to be a better way for this. So I have it, I'm sharing my display, and then if I turn the mixer, like where it shares my desktop audio, we're going to get echo, but we don't want echo. We want to just hear us and the game. But you know what would have been really good is if I had just delayed it like 2 hours and then we figured all of this out right now. That's okay. We'll get there. Stand by.
That's right. It's Saturday. It's Saturday.
Woo!
Yeah!
For the broys. Saturday for the broys.
That's right.
Let's go in. Let's see. Okay, so it's just display capture, but if I did window capture and I grabbed Wukong, and then Wukong is here, and we do capture audio. Okay, wait a second. Wukong is up. Okay, I'm gonna. That's real game audio you guys are getting. That's it. You can hear it now. Okay, Wukong rain. Can we hear the rain? Can you hear the rains down in Wukong land? Can we bless the rains?
The stream can hear it, yes.
Okay.
Ooh, and somehow, so did I.
Was that it? Did we get it? Yes. I'm seeing thumbs up. Yes. Thank you guys. Oh my God. This has just been a nightmare to figure out in real time, but I appreciate everybody being in good spirits today. I know I am. Okay. And then, is that coming through or is it frozen? Shit.
It's frozen.
Okay.
But you
I
know
wonder
what?
if because
here's the question for chat. It appears frozen, but is it really?
can you
You know?
believe?
And that's a question you can ask yourself and kind of zoom out for a minute. And
It's like your own
sure,
game.
It appears frozen, but
Yeah.
is it? Get my better chairs.
Capture mode, Windows 10. There it is. We got it. All right, for real, we made it. Yes. Oh, now you leave as soon as I figure it out. Now you're just gonna take off, huh?
I've got to get going, but thank you guys.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
Thank you for having me.
Thanks.
So Gundy, thank you, buddy.
Appreciate it.
It's been a pleasure coming on the show today. And
Really nice.
everybody that ever doubted me, fuck you.
You heard it here. Oh, we did it. We're gonna have to start it over again, aren't we? Nope, he's here. Okay, all right, we're good. You can hear, I can hear, we can hear each other. Everybody's in. Everybody's good. Jesus Christ. So the one on the left is Hercules. Solid. We made it. Okay.
My master. Safe. The scriptures. Sound. All I ever wanted was a life in my mountain, free from you and your so-called merits.
Man on the
Those high
mountain.
above don't trust me. I understand that.
What a voice this guy's got.
And they send you and those knuckleheads to threaten me.
He calls him
To obey and serve once more? I understand that too. But what I don't understand is... you bastards killing my kind!
Oh, shit.
Whoa, look at this guy.
Yeah. Somebody shut that dog up.
From a character design this is Nicholas the dog, correct?
Yeah, Nick. Yeah, old Saint Nick.
Sorry.
Stay back, stupid dog.
You made me look bad.
Lock this.
Ooga booga
He's not
booga.
just any monkey. He's a monkey of merit. A
Monkey.
monkey was made Buddha once. None other than me can challenge him to a duel. Look, monkey. I don't make.
We have a
habit of
name, by the
fighting
way.
Someone I've bested before.
Yeah, really.
Here's my offer. If you lose, I'll take you to the Celestial Court. They will stay and level your mountain.
Shut up,
But if
Jagoff.
I lose, I shall certainly take revenge, and they will level your mountain nonetheless. How tragic would that be, huh?
The voice actors
You are
are
one of the court.
chewing it, and I
We
love
don't
it.
need to resort
Yeah.
to violence. How about you bend the knees, admit the wrongs,
I want
and
those.
we can put this behind us.
I want whatever those
I
head.
feel like you have enough hair, you could almost do that.
Yeah.
Try.
Pull it up like All Might.
All these years. Except for that pig. You're the one who talks the tallest tales. Good. I am entertained. Speaking of entertainment, wouldn't it be fun if I pluck your extra eye out for my snack and allow you to keep the other two? Because I'd hate to let you miss how I'll slaughter each mongrel of the court. Those below, those above, and that black mutt of yours. Come at me, all of you.
Let's go!
They get
Oh my god, what is his name? Erlang, the sacred Jagoff?
Yeah, the sacred Jagoff of divinity is his name. he's his namesake is a fucking tea leaf. I'm gonna pluck that eye out and I'm gonna eat it, and then I'm going after Hercules right after this. I'm going straight for the jugular.
This is very Kingdom Hearts almost style fighting. I haven't seen anything like this. Well, normal people would probably say it's Elden Ring style.
Yeah.
But it's not really. Look, I don't know.
Boop, you're frozen.
Ooh, that. Ow!
Fucker.
Now, what's
Come on.
the difficulty set to? Medium?
Yeah, oh no, the details, the graphics are set to medium right now. So this isn't even ultra whatever quality.
What's the difficulty?
The difficulty is default, whatever the base game chose for me. I didn't change that.
Look at this, the sacred Jagoff.
Oh.
And then you drop stuff behind you in your real house.
Yeah.
the victorious fight.
Feels like we're really there.
Have you any idea how many would give their everything for immortality?
Immortality? For that word, all realms and beings have ruined themselves.
Let's go. Oh, wrong one. Whoops. Pluck of many. Mega Monkey Mode. Oh, which one is it? Oh, which one is it, Earl Grey? Which one? Come on. Oh, you don't like it now.
Sacred Jagoff.
Sacred Jagoff. Not on my mountain. We are the wise men of the mountain. We are the ones who stay.
So I was trying to follow what exactly the story was there. I don't know that I fully did.
So the Wukong was once divine, or joined the Celestial Court. And they're coming back to take him because all he wanted to do was just go back and hang out with the mortal people and enjoy the simple pleasures of
Celestial
life.
Court welcomes you, foul monkey,
Yeah.
yet you remain untamed. None shall
Untamed.
save you now.
Dear brother, your edge needs honing. Good. I was in need of a back scratcher.
Yeah, are they actually brothers?
They shared a, how do I say this? They lived in a hole together. So they're brothers through bonding in the hole. Kind of like how you and I met.
I was gonna say, old bonded brothers are special. You spend a lot of time in a hall with somebody, and you're like, you know what? Are we related now? And the answer is yes.
Yeah, and we played Pokemon. So yeah, they've come to basically take you back to Celestial Court to charge you for your crimes of treason. And can I just say too, I love this like trope where the entire army is just waiting for you guys to duke it out so they can get a piece. I just love this setup.
This guy is supposed to be the sacred court and all that.
Yeah, I think he's like an arbiter, right? Or like he's like supposed to come and fetch you. Yeah.
So what did we do that got us peeled out of the sacred?
We joined the Celestial. Oh, nice pose. Nice pose.
Oh, I hit that
In the shower? While you were reading?
Yeah. I had my book in one hand and Planet Fitness in my fucking
But yeah, so Wukong was like, okay, thanks for inviting me to the Celestial Court or whatever, but I kind of like just being a monkey man in the mountains. So he goes back, and they're like, actually, you got to come back with us now. Yeah.
I like that. That's a lot of metaphors there.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get an invitation to a party, and really you realize it's a celestial court. And the guy appears.
Yeah, him and his dog Nick, they're trying to bring you down, man. You can't let them get to you like that. Oh, here comes Hercules.
Morning, good to see you. Come on, Herc.
Come on. Give me all you got.
Foul monkey! Taste my axe!
Is this because he's rejection sensitive? The guy couldn't accept that the monkey didn't want to be a part of all this, so he has to kill him.
Yeah, and destroy his mountain. It's fucked up.
Rat,
He's
you call that a duel? The glare up here is dazzling. Fight me in the woods if you have the guts.
fight me in the woods. The light is too dazzling up here. Why don't you come down to my territory? Come fight me on mortal grounds.
Fight me behind the Chick-fil-A.
Back behind the Quiznos. In the Quiznos parking lot.
Fuck me up outside of Arby's.
They have the meats.
Look at this little falcon. Okay.
Yeah. Fall to earth once more. Oh. Looking at that forehead, it just makes me really uncomfortable.
Yeah, it's. What am I supposed to make of that?
Yeah. Like freaking third eye blind over here.
As he's falling.
Oh, this is. I actually really like this sequence. This is. I've never seen this before, but
No, I know.
A hero
the trees
treasured his freedom
coming up.
above all else. Buddhahood he attained.
Very
yes,
beginning, ketchup, John Mustard.
but
Yeah, it
Yeah.
looks really
he
good.
found the celestial rules, for he yearned to come back and to revel in the simple joys with us.
So he just wanted to be a god, but also just hang out with us back on Earth.
Little did he know
Kinda
his
like you.
choice to
You could've
Like
forgo
me.
the life
Like-
above
You fell
only
from heaven
fueled
into the hole.
their
You know me.
mistrust.
Now this is a parallel to Joe Dirt when he found the septic tank. Do you remember?
Yeah. I actually thought that's what we were doing. What
Yeah.
were we watching right now?
This
I got poo
stone
on me.
has stood for countless days on the mountain.
Darius, good to see you. Welcome in, everybody.
They've
It
said
just
that
started.
its
We finally got
remains
it.
Lie within it. Unbegotten, undying, such is the nature of a stone monkey. Though his body was broken, his spirit endures. Into 6 relics he turned, and separately they escaped, choosing to stay hidden.
6 relics.
Those are the 6 senses of the great sage.
So he kind of conveniently, interestingly fell onto like a monkey
Centuries.
island.
Right. And became, still was their god. He just was freaking turned to stone on impact.
I cannot.
And this is Master Roshi telling us we need to go and explore and find the Dragon
We
Balls.
say in Gangania,
There
51,
might be
whenever you get
one
married.
who's destined,
51.
51, baby.
one that shall recover all his scattered relics. And upon the return of the relics to Mount Tuaguo, he may yet rise again.
Dude. Can you believe we're here?
Not really.
No, me either. I feel like I'm in like a fugue state right now
Yeah,
from
kind
today.
of same.
Oh,
Kind of same.
amazing. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is, I mean, listen, there's a, I don't know, there's a weird feeling of like, I probably could, I don't know, coming off of all the busyness of life and deciding, being so grateful, thanks to you and people here, that I can do this and do cartoon therapy full time. Now all of a sudden I have all this time and all I want to do is play video games with my friends.
As you should.
I was stoked that this was even possible.
Yeah, I've been waiting for this forever, but then oh my god.
Around the corner.
Anonymous
Seems like you
gifter.
just fell from a
Thank you for the anonymous 5 gifted subs. Holy shit.
Kids knew I needed a snack.
Oh, I
You got a
love
gift
these
sub,
guys.
be sure to say thank you.
Sneaky rascal. Dad, fool me. I'll make sure you regret it.
Oh,
These guys look awesome. Dude,
Yeah.
Now, this is, can I fucking just say this to you in a non-judgmental way? I'd like to say something.
go ahead.
I think I'm kind of getting into the furry stuff lately.
Really?
It's starting to hit me. I watched Labyrinth yesterday for the first time in like 16 years. and
Yeah.
Something about this. There's like, yeah, man, you know, there's fucking animals and who gives a shit, right? Like,
Yeah,
something
right.
about- I've been playing a lot of games lately, like Night in the Woods. Have you ever played that? Or
No.
Or, another game called Beacon Pines, and it's just towns full of little animal people
Little
and
like
I'm-
anthropomorphs and stuff?
yeah, I have to tell you, I think it's great.
Is
I
it
think
making
it's
is it
great.
make do you feel like that's like a part of you
There's-
that's
yes, there's something there. Yeah, when I put Arlen.
here it is. Here. The lore.
When I put Arlen's mask on my head yesterday, you know
Yeah.
what I mean? I understand it.
Is that
That's
is
all I'm
Arlen so you're saying, right? I just want to make sure I'm tracking what you're saying. So Arlen is your authentic fursona?
I think he's close, you know. Yeah, he's close.
'Cause the
I
birding,
certainly-
right?
Have you ever, dude? Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever put an animal mask on your head?
I was a mascot. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know this. I know.
Yeah. I felt really something about it. Just, you know, maybe it's the mask, right? Maybe it's like we are not like he who puts on the mask, but it still is like that sense of like it's me, but something else. So it's like me plus elements of other things. Me plus monkey, me plus Vince plus monkey, brothers
Equals
Wukong.
right. But when you were the mascot and you put on that fur suit, if you will, I mean, did it unlock a little? I mean, you're kind of saying it did, right?
Yeah, there's something about it too. I don't know, like the older that I get, I think it's like you feel like right initially, just this is wrong, or it's like, you know, this is embarrassing, but like who gives a shit? You know, if you're a monkey man or a bird man or a turtle man, whatever your persona, your alter, whatever thing, it's still a part of you, right? And it's like, is it more fucked up to admit it, or is it more fucked up to push it down
Right.
and hide from
well
it?
said.
You
well
know?
said.
I just feel like
that-
this game was meant for furries.
Yeah, like I'm really right there. I'm really right there with it. If somebody said, Vince, do you want to put on a bird kind of mask and trot along at a fur convention? I would do it. And by the way, I would do it not judgmentally, and I would really embrace it and see what it's all about.
Yeah, so you think that's like if it were presented to you versus you coming to it on your own? Is that like a big part of it?
Maybe, maybe.
I like what we
I mean, it's like, here's the thing. We're born into these human forms, right?
Yes.
And you don't really get to choose how you look. You don't really get to choose like what your eye. There was no character creator, right? You're just kind of given this visage or form of a human being. And furries choose to say, I don't think so, right? Instead, I'm a bird man. Instead, I am dog. And we all say, fuck you, when
Fuck
really
you,
they're
fuck
saying, I'm creating who I am. And we shit on them for that.
I
think
know,
that's
right?
really
Like
interesting.
finding yourself in this crazy, abysmal world of hate and darkness. Wouldn't it just be nice if we could just all fucking find our own selves and share our authenticity in a platform that connects us with people? Do you know anything like that where we could maybe start
I
something?
don't know anything like that.
Something
I
that
don't
we
know
could just
anything
like
that. And now that you've said it out loud, it sounds like a cringe shit fest. And
You're right. Yeah, maybe we shouldn't. Maybe we shouldn't do that. Do you want to like go like write a book together or something instead, or?
I think now that all of that being said, you need to be exactly the person that everyone around you told you are.
You're
And
right.
If you look a certain way, you better stick to it.
Yeah, don't deviate. Don't try and do it differently. Actually, I have a leotard around here somewhere. We can actually.
Yes, please. Yeah. Do not deviate. Like, look at this guy. He looks exactly how he was meant to. And as he should.
Yeah.
As
From
he should.
hundreds of years of inbreeding, this is exactly what society wanted for him. They did such a good job with this game. I feel like we're really showcasing the good points and qualities of this game. Proxy, good to see you.
Then the temple was rebuilt. What
Dude,
good
he's
is it
got hair
to
coming out of
rebuild
just
a temple
everywhere.
Yeah.
if the goodwill of
It's a follicle thing he's got going on. Lots of follicles in specific places.
You've forgotten this place, but they haven't forgotten you.
Oh shit.
It's a tough one.
Teach me how to do that.
Good luck to you.
You've forgotten this place, but they haven't forgotten you. What does that mean?
Yeah, what is this, like a freaking Inception thing? Like I've been in a dream the whole time?
Now, how far have you? You'll have to tell me when we've gotten to a thing that you don't know.
This is
We
pretty
can
much
do.
it. I did the
Oh, really?
intro, I ran around a little bit, and I was like, okay, I'm waiting till Saturday.
Oh,
I don't want to play
okay.
anymore until we get on here.
When I see this, when I see a wolf with fucking human features,
It awakens something in you, doesn't it?
and you know what's amazing? People will think I'm doing a bit, but I'm staring right at them, and I'm telling you, God's honest, it's doing something.
I think all I could have hoped for today was that you felt comfortable enough to discuss this, and I didn't even have to question or prompt you for it. You brought it right to me, and I appreciate that, and I resonate. I sincerely, I think there's something to that like
There's something there.
it's a through line, it's a thread in a lot of media that I think we grew up on. You were talking about Lola Bunny the other day. Listen,
Yeah.
hand on the Jitter Bible. That was me.
Yeah.
Something. It did something.
And you know what?
They
If
did
Lola
this to
Bunny
us.
Didn't do anything to you. You're definitely lying. I'll say that.
Yeah, you're afraid of your authentic persona, and it's okay. You're safe here.
Are there any honest to gracious furries in the chat? that would like to
One's in the
speak on
chat. If any of this, if you resonate or you feel like, yeah, actually, this does something for me.
this? And it's all just dots and twos after that.
Don't you dare. Pouring our heart and
Jude,
souls out over
yeah.
here. Yeah, Jude, you a real one. Silly girl. I don't know.
Girl two.
I think you're lying. I think you're a bunch of liars. The twos are coming in now. Okay.
Twos are flying in.
Maybe.
Yeah, all
Do you
right.
think we should just stop the show now?
Yeah, you know what? Forget it.
Yeah.
You guys are right. I was kidding. It was all a joke.
Okay. Yeah.
Forget it.
Sorry. We're just gonna go. All right. See you next time.
I think Twitch is pretty friendly to furries, Yanni. Don't you think?
Yeah.
I feel like there's a lot of. I went into a. Not to peel back the curtain too far on this, but
No,
I
go
went
ahead.
into a Twitch channel by a guy. His name was like Papa Mutt or something like that. Papa Mutt, and he was like a 600-700 viewer streamer who was a big dog.
Yeah.
And I feel like people love the guy. And I'm trying. I don't know. I feel like they're pretty friendly. Vitamin, we're talking about the truth of maybe there's a little more to this furry thing than meets the eye in terms of maybe I like it.
Yeah.
And
Oh
maybe
God.
Shogundi over here is.
You
here's,
keep.
Speaking of Papa Mutt, I think here he is.
Hey. Yeah. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. He's oh shit. Okay. Yeah. So a lot of this is there's no block mechanic. There's just dodging. You have to time out. Yeah. You have to time things out perfectly to get like bonuses. I think. This is just speculation.
Ooh.
Oh, we know. Vitamin Pug says we know.
Sybil, what's up tonight? Sybil, what do you think about furries? And don't make it into a joke.
Yeah, no, seriously. Your honest thoughts and opinions here are welcome. Don't lie. We'll know. Oh. That's
shit.
what'll happen if you lie.
I'm not necessarily admitting I am one, Jay Stinch. I'm saying I think there's a lot of interesting stuff to it. And
There's
I'm
a lot more to
kind of
unpack.
into it a little bit.
Yeah. What up, monkey boys?
Sexual mascot, which makes me feel weird inside. I guess there is a sexual side of it that I've not been thinking about. When
I
I'm
don't
saying
know.
this.
So, like, to me, right? This is just me speaking from the heart. I don't ever connotate sexuality with it. I think it's genuinely more of like the aesthetics and like taking on aspects, the anthropomorphic, right? Like there's just something about it gives you a feeling like, ooh, yeah, and what if I had pointy ears or, you know, like a beautiful coat of feathers or something like it accentuates your character, your personality, persona, whatever. I know there's a lot of freaky shit that goes on out there,
I'm
though.
sure some of them have SX in the suits, but I'm talking about. I'm not necessarily talking
Shog
about
on the
that.
board.
I'm talking about what you're saying.
Shog on the board.
Yeah, we're innocent here. We're sweet little innocent church going boys. So keep that in mind too before you start just totally saying we're absolutely wrong and incorrect. This is just what we were. This is see, we come out, we explain. Damn it. And then this guy comes in here.
Hurry on that fucking cross, dude.
Furry on the cross. Yeah, exactly. They would crucify us for this. Anyway, what do you think of Wukong?
I'm loving it. I love that
Dude.
design. I like that you have to start way back here. It's a little bit punishing.
Yeah.
I kind of like that.
In my lap, I got. Ooh. Oh, all the yeah. Keep them all coming.
In his lab, he's got a fursuit. All right.
Yeah. So you think it's an owl, or not an owl, but what is Arlen? An eagle?
Arlen is. It's kind of unclear what he is, and I like keeping it that way.
I want to say I found this.
This is just. Amazing.
I found this guy. He does a lot of, I guess, like the mocap for Planet of the Apes, and man, he sells it. I bet you he's got a fursuit of his own somewhere. from the job, from working in Planet of the Apes. I mean,
Dang.
yeah.
Look at that wolf with the fucking long axe. If that doesn't do anything for you creatively and
Yeah.
make you think maybe you could be a wolf, I think you're lying, man. I really do. I think
We can
don't
run
know,
around
man.
for a second too and just appreciate how like everything has so much detail too. Like I mean the trees, they don't look like copy pasted trees. The detail on the rock
right
and the
about that.
moss, like, and this isn't like turned down. This is for stream. Like I don't even have everything maxed out. The nuts. Oh, hello, cutscene.
the characters like notice he was kind of doing something. Is it a cutscene or is that just
The camera like locked on him for a
Wow.
second.
Oh, cool.
Can I
cool.
go? Oh, I'm not wearing
Did
any
you?
shoes.
You didn't see this before, but you haven't gone back to the guard, right?
No, I went kind of. I think I
so
got
it's
right up into
triggered by
this
where you
point
were at.
here. Yeah. I had to fight
Great,
this
Glitter, I
guy.
agree with you. It makes me want to go out into nature wearing a wolf costume.
Right.
Yeah. Makes you want to
Cusco's poison.
prance around in the
The
woods.
one I gave. For Cusco.
Right.
It's all coming together.
It's all coming
You
together.
know he's got a point.
You really do. You really have a point with this that I think you're trying to make. And oh, I'm so sorry, Jay Stinch. Critical fail. Oh.
Look, I love it.
Oh! All right, I gotta heal. Drink my monkey juice here. Oh, I can lock on. Oh, that's so much more helpful instead of just swinging away. Ugh, come on. Ugh. Ooh. Do it again. You won't. Oh shit.
In your like degree education, did you have to learn like ZBrush, character
Yeah.
modeling and all that?
Dude, ZBrush was cool. So we used Autodesk Maya for a lot of
Me
like
too,
game
me too.
assets.
too.
ZBrush for sculpting and more natural, organic shapes. And then we used Substance Painter and Unreal Engine, sort of like to tie it all together for like
Ooh.
textures and stuff.
I got that far. But I used Autodesk Maya. And I learned how to do character modeling like that.
Yeah.
Do you like it? Do you like doing 3D?
I do. So the problem was that after my degree, we lost all of our licensing, and the licenses are so
me too.
expensive.
Yes, I know exactly what you mean.
It's an arm and a leg to get back into it. And so like I've been learning Unreal Engine again, like free, you know, teaching myself some of the stuff. And it's so funny because after oh,
You were.
let's go. Roshi, yes.
Who did it? Oh, sick.
But yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was cool to start with like building blocks and then take them up to like game ready assets. It was really fun.
Your mobilize spell still works like a charm. Since you hail from Mount Huaguo, it won't hurt to teach you a handy trick.
Jay Stinch had a similar
Now,
experience,
here we
yeah.
go.
Play a full kidney for each one. Dude, it's nuts what they're charging for this stuff. Also, can I just say, Jay Stinch, you're a wonderful human being, and I'm so glad like I've gotten to know you a little bit more. Like we were talking about Pokemon earlier or yesterday, and Yu-Gi-Oh! After his big reveal, I was just thank you for being here, dude. I appreciate you. And everyone being here. Holy shit.
Jay Stinch really got brought into this world. I dragged his ass in. I know him in real life. We met at a party. I gotta tell that story one day.
Oh, I'd love to hear it.
Sadly, mine
Another
is but a
time.
humble trick.
But yeah, I did a lot with environment art assets for like sets, pieces for games, and I wish I had more access. I wish I had the tools again, like so I could have stuck with it. I just couldn't afford it, and I didn't really feel like going the route of piracy either.
Exact same thing happened to me.
Yeah.
Teach him a lesson with your new
Oh shit! You must freeze. Beow!
Wow, dude. Wow.
Yeah.
Jay Stinch, I know you're right about that.
Come on. Ooh. Ooh. One more big one. Here's the leap. Charge it up. Get the fuck out of here, Bull Guard. Here we go. Clean him up. Clean them up. One more.
Nice. You're gonna. This is gonna be the end.
Oh, that was all right. Tit for tat. You ready? Yeah.
Nice. Kind of
My
did the charge and
Oh, we got
didn't get him
sparks.
very far.
Yeah. I cannot believe we are sitting here together playing Wukong in the comfort of our own homes, and it's real. It's here.
It's awesome. You know,
This
there's
is-
I could say a lot about that. Like I would imagine that a lot of streamers or something start kind of feeling like you have to do content that people expect you to do after a
Sure.
while. Like I have a weird feeling, I don't know. And it's really nice to break out of a lot of that stuff and to be able to pop in here, and I hope like we could do it a lot, and I hope
Yeah.
popping into I have such an appreciation for video games and video game art, and it's not something I don't know. I think I could see young me being like, don't really do that and don't go around and play video games because you have to be the therapist guy and you have to be the cartoon
Listen.
guy and you have to be this one little character. But obviously, we've been talking all about breaking out of that now.
You can be
And it's
whatever furry anthropomorph, whatever your
Yes.
heart desires in this world. You make it your own, and we can reinvent ourselves as many times as we want to. That to me, that's the coolest part of all of this. I've never actually sat down and like live chatted with a guest to play a video game before, and this is the truest form, I think, of like when I started playing games with people, and we would come over. Like, I got this new game. My brother, he
Yeah.
played like hours and hours of World of Warcraft, and I would just sit like this and just ask him questions. We would share like moments and stuff together. Like, this is so cool.
Yeah. It coming from a like a just chatting, almost exclusively
Yeah.
perspective. Sometimes for me there's a feeling like, oh, I have to always be on when I'm streaming, or even if I'm on
Yeah.
someone else's show, like I have to always be on and I have to always be funny and oh my god. But there's something really special. Jude, you're such a legend.
Yesterday's
About-
Jude, thank you for the gift sub to Grit. Enjoy all the little Shogundies.
But there's something special about like that feeling, like when you're young. We talk a lot on Cartoon Therapy about like returning to your feeling you had when you were a kid.
Jude.
And I don't think any feeling encapsulates that better than literally this. Like, it's not about it. You don't have to be fucking, oh my god, blah, blah. You're playing a game. You're appreciating the game. You're kind of present. It makes me want to order some fucking chicken wings and get a beer going.
You want
Are you a
to?
drinker?
Yeah. Do you want to?
I kind of do.
Yeah.
I think I might go get a little drinky.
I skipped lunch, so I'm thinking about getting some food, and then I know I have one more. There's only one beer left, and I got it. I got it for today.
All right, I'm gonna go get a little drink.
Yeah. Look, I'll
I'm
set
gonna
us
get
up. We'll
Grubhub
take.
going.
This is a good opportunity, everybody, to get up, stretch, take a break. Look at this, dude. Like we couldn't have scripted this. We're gonna meditate here. Thank you for the follow as well.
Shog on the board.
Oh,
Shog on the board.
As a chicken wing and some beer, just like when we were kids.
yeah. I used to sneak into Dad's fridge and get the beers.
Right.
Eat some chicken wings. Look at this. Oh my god, it's real. It's here. Wow. I don't even know what like the shelf life is.
Shog on the board.
Damn it.
On
Shog on
beer.
the board.
On like playtime. Like, is it 60 hours, 80 hours, 100 hours? I have no notes. I have nothing. I just wanted to go in and play with you and see what it's all about, man.
Yeah, right. Same here.
Yeah. You want to take a $5?
Yeah, I don't even need 5. I can just run and get it.
Okay, yeah, go run, get it. I'll put an order in, and then I'll get a drinky drink. How's everybody doing? Can we get a soft check-in? How are we feeling? Do we like Wukong? Run, hurry, fast. Dude, thank you for all of the subs. You gifted 20 subs before we even did anything, and you're just firing them out. Linda Love, Mom Boy, Jay Stench. Dude, unbelievable. I don't know what I did to deserve so much love and support, guys, but I mean, truly something is working here. And not to say that I expect it at all. I do not expect it at all. That's just you guys hanging out. is all I need. Doing pretty good. Probably about to make a run to the gym and try and burn some fat. Jay Stench, yeah, dude. Wedding coming up. Oh my God. That's right. You guys are. Oh man, it's so exciting.
I'm gonna be there for that.
You are? You're going?
I'm going. I literally am gonna be there for.
Can you go for me as well and send my love?
I'll do better than that. I'll have a little puppet of you that I'll carry on my arm.
Oh. You still have it? The one I sent you?
Yeah, I did. I talked to it late into the night, into the late hours.
I got inspired by Spectral Sybil, and I made a little voodoo doll of me to send to Vince. So I'm glad you keep that close to your heart.
Sybil with those fucking voodoo dolls, man.
Oh, voodoo doll.
So I'm drinking a little something. This is a special treat tonight. This is called Samuel Smith's Organic Perry Sparkling Pear Cider. And it has a severe amount of alcohol in it, and the bottle is ginormous.
Is it one of those? Does it have like a worm or a creature in the bottom that you have to get to?
I hope so. I hope so. At the very end, there's a little creature. Yeah.
Yeah.
You get a little surprised. You never know what it's going to be. Get closer to your mic, says Grit. Hey, Grit, how about this?
Is that good? You like that?
Do I need to be louder? Do I need to be louder?
Do you want me to turn you up from here?
Turn me way up.
Way up, maxed out. How's that? Keep going.
Yeah.
Keep it going.
La la la. Did you consider holding out? If you know what I mean, holding out. What does that mean, silly girl?
Yeah,
I won't hold out on anything. Linda,
talk to him.
thank
Tell
you.
him about how you held out.
I'll hold out for nothing and no one. Here's the thing about me. I believe in God, okay? So I don't hold out. I pull out. Oh, hey. How are you? I can't hear you. Did you mute yourself?
Oh, I was muted. Sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Was that good? You were
Yeah,
you
it
were
was pretty
sucking
good.
on it like it was mother's milk over there.
I was pretending it was, Spectral Sybil's advice, and I was just sucking for as long as I could, you know?
She's never steered you wrong before, so that tracks.
No, but can I reveal something to you?
Yeah.
There's this an insecure little part of me that is worried that Spectral Sybil is about to skyrocket into high heaven, which is great. But
Yeah.
Sybil used to always joke that I'm going to blow up and then I'm not going to remember her. Sybil is on the cusp of not remembering me, so I'm trying to savor every little bit that I have.
Dude.
Spectral Sybil is doing an interview and collabs with Sushi Dragon. Do you know
I
who that is?
watched.
Yeah,
Unreal.
I saw the VOD today.
I can't believe
Sybil
he-
is about to go into the high fucking heaven.
Yeah, dude, I can't believe he copied all of her bits and everything. Like
He did. He did.
he just boldface was like doing all the cringe crypts and the media mausoleums and like I was like she's just taking it. Like she didn't even say anything. Like what a tremendous character of hers to go on and just like to get to who know what.
So I'm going to be very honest with you. There is a little part of me that is very nervous that Sybil is going to move beyond me and we won't be friends anymore.
Yeah, she's
There's
gonna forget
be
about
50
us.
billion viewers and she's going to be super famous and she's going to be on the Larry fucking King show talking about how now she's the best and she's so famous and I'm nothing and I'm the scum on the bottom of nothing.
She was taking selfies with Jimmy Kimmel this morning. I saw they posted it on their Instagram.
She's on her way for that. What is
Crazy.
this future? Sybil, I'm just talking about how you're going to be blowing up very shortly and you're going to forget about me and I'm nothing to you. And I just know that it's right around the corner.
Jude, you're nuts. You're absolutely
Jude is
nuts.
Jude is such a freaking Bing Lord.
Oh my
Jude, thank you
God.
for being a Bing Lord in this world.
Yeah.
You're about to be on Oprah. No, Sybil, we were just talking about your interview with Sushi Dragon, and now you're gonna have Sushi Dragon on your show, and then you're gonna be at TwitchCon, and I'm gonna be like,
Shog
hey,
on the
Sybil,
board.
I came all the way here just to see you.
Shog on the
and then you're
board.
gonna be like, who the fuck is this asshole? And then you're gonna look over to Sushi Dragon, and then you guys are gonna have your arms around each other like this.
Yeah.
And you're gonna be drinking and smoking and fucking bing, bing, bing on the dance floor, bing, 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 bing on the dance floor, bing, bing, bing on the dance floor, bing, bing, bing on the dance floor, bing, bing.
Well, you know what, Vince? We're gonna make our own. We're gonna do our own Tonight Show and Jimmy Kimmel, and
Yes.
we're gonna reinvent media altogether. Modern media is gonna marvel at the Wukong brothers. This is gonna be all people are watching. This right here. That you see
Cheers.
that? That's you and me right now.
Bing, bing, bing on the dance floor, bing, bing, bing on the dance floor, bing, bing, bing.
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
dance floor.
Get them up. Get them up.
What do you think TwitchCon is? I think TwitchCon is going to be the place where you forget about me and you enter into the fame that you've always said I'm going to have.
You
I
ascend.
think that TwitchCon is when Sybil will no longer give a fuck about me because she has simply escalated into the high heaven. And
You guys-
that's okay because Show Gundy has actually offered to dress up as a goth girl and replace her. So that's fine.
Yeah, I got my wig and all my black velvets from Amazon. So we're gonna do it up next time. It's gonna be a completely different show. So just enjoy this right now and cheers. Can I get a cheers?
Cheers.
Cheers
Cheers. Absolutely. Absolutely. To the dance floor.
to the dance floor, to our ancestors. Actually, I was going to tell you, I got this imported. We flew this in last night with the cartel, and this is an imported Mexicana cerveza, if you will.
Oh, you flew it in. What was that? With the cartel.
Yeah, they brought it for me.
So you have connections. You have more connections than I realized. As
you know, I mean-
continuing to find out.
Yeah, it's just, I mean, just for beer, like nothing else really. We don't need to talk about any of that other stuff, but they've done me a kindness, so.
Does Twitch ever seem? This is a question for you and for everybody in the community.
Yeah.
Does Twitch ever feel like it gives you so much FOMO that it causes anxiety, despite how great it is?
Yes. I feel like there's so many incredible people constantly creating and sharing all of this great stuff, and it's like I can never keep up. There's never enough time in any day for me to like see what everybody's doing. As much as I want to, or I have every intention of keeping up, it's hard.
It is really hard. It's hard. Lung Fleas, it's so good to see you. Green Giant says absolutely yes. Sybil, Jude, Bo to the Bard, 4chan. Yeah, like I want to watch, especially now that I'm realizing increasingly so many people in the community are like. I just learned Lemon Wedge in the community is a streamer. Didn't know that. Like,
Really?
now I want to watch her, and I want to watch you and Vitamin and Momboy and Sybil and Max and Dax Effects, and like it just gets to be like, dude, you can't do it all.
So,
I
like-
feel so bad, like I really do.
Yeah, and so to that point, even further, like I will go and I'll load up like 3, 4, 5 tabs, and like, I'll mute people for a second, but I'll go and I want to jump in. I want to say, hey, good luck today, whatever you're working on, whatever, I hang out for a little bit, but I'll cycle. Like I max out my RAM up here, and I'm just, oh my God, hype train. I tell you, of all the things I prepared for today, I don't have like any hype circus. I don't have any other special alerts. This is it. So listen, buddy, we're gonna have to turn it up. We're gonna have to do our own hype train manually here. You ready?
Hey, I got you. Don't worry. Here's your hype train right
Okay.
here.
You ready? Okay. All right. Silly girl, thank you for the gifted sub going out to Lung Fleas. So many beautiful, wonderful people here today. I love you all so much. Oh.
Oh my God.
Anonymous
my
gifted
God.
20 subs. All right. Well,
Holy shit.
you know what we have to do now.
It's because of it's because of the thighs. You
No,
gotta,
get back
you know
up.
what I mean?
No, get up
all right.
there. Get up there. You ready?
Yeah.
Shog on the board. Shog on the board.
Shog's on the board. 20 subs going out to the community. Look at all these beautiful people, all these colorful names, places. Linda Love, all the bits as well. Thank you guys so much. Level 6 hype train. Listen, I don't know what happened, but Chris Mack came in on Tuesday. They did this ghost train. You ever heard about these things?
Hang on, I can't think and do this at the same time.
Okay, you lock in.
I'm starting to sweat.
Lock in.
I'm starting to sweat.
Lock in.
They call these butterflies.
You better keep it up. Keep it up. Don't stop. Yeah, you keep that up.
I'm really feeling it in the. Barbie Zodiac was doing quote unquote yoga the other day in her stream too. Talk about another show I always freaking try to watch and can't watch enough of.
Quote unquote. What do you mean by that? Can you expand on that?
I really can't, but I will just say, have you ever heard of Ninja Turtle yoga?
Come on. Come on.
I did.
You're done. Shogun wins.
You want to go higher?
Shogun wins.
Yeah. I want to get high, in fact.
Go. Lift. Ascend. Oh, wow. Wow. You ready?
Yeah. 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 I am so glad I
We
was
say in
raised
Gangania.
Catholic.
51 whenever you get
51s. Keep them going. You can do whatever you want in this world.
You can
Don't let
do
anybody
whatever
stop you.
Oh, shit.
Hey, you got a show to do after this. Don't. Yeah. Okay. Good. I'll play this one. I like this one a lot. Yeah. Yeah. You got it. Okay. This is the rest of the show now.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude!
How about a little sippy?
I don't know if this is what people wanted or expecting today, but I'm glad we're here. Are you
I don't know
okay?
if this is what people wanted.
I see you repping Soul Coffin. Hang on.
I don't know if this is what people wanted, but this is what you're gonna get. I watched Labyrinth for the first
Shog
time
on the
in
board.
16 years yesterday, and David
Shog on the
Bowie,
board.
yeah, he came in with this. Look,
Yeah. You want to see something real crazy? One of these?
yeah. They call that the fucking pat, baby. Look at
You
that.
ever see the Pat? You know about the Pat? We're gonna get back to the game eventually, I promise. Maybe not.
This is a workout.
Yeah.
This is a fucking workout.
Thank you all so much. Thank you. Oh, see, now you're doing the Barbie Zodiac.
Yeah, that's right. The Barbie Zodiac. Oh!
Sybil, how do you do it? How do you dance forever? I'm so tired. Oh, absolute creatures.
Cardio of the fucking
What?
sushi dragon.
Sushi Dragon?
Is there like a Grubhub equivalent service that lets you order alcohol?
I think that's called a booze cruise.
Is that an app?
You want me to call a booze cruise?
Yeah. I
Okay.
could get some more of this. Samuel Smith's Organic Perry Sparkling Cider. Pretty good stuff, I must say. Really gets you going quickly.
I got not one but 2 Eckies here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Already down, or you're just saying you have to?
No, they put 2 in 1 Eckies here.
Oh, I see. Right. Right.
They got 2 Eckies here.
GoPuff is a drink delivery service. Barbie Zodiac, my question to you is, have you ever gotten DRUNC off of GoPunk?
Go punk. Punk go punk go. I haven't. Have you?
No.
Oh.
Barbie says yes. Orla says drunk.
Drunk.
I think Orla is over. I don't think Orla lives in the same country as me.
Level
So
7.
in other words. Okay, let's see. Go Puff.
Go Puff.
They bring you alcohol?
Does that select locations, limited time only, or?
We're gonna find out.
Okay. I want to try what you have next time I go out and look for cider.
It's cider. Yeah, you know what? I got it from Whole Foods, which I'm ashamed to say I shop there sometimes.
Why would you say
What-
that? Why are you ashamed?
Because aren't they owned by Jeff Bezos and all that shit?
Oh, are they? You scum of the earth, you rat bastard.
I know. You know what I like? I don't get groceries from there, certainly not, but I like to go to their cookie bar. They have surprisingly good cookies there.
Yeah.
So on Friday nights, my wife and we have made it a tradition to go to the cookie bar.
Oh.
And we get the hazelnut croissants and a couple cookies at Whole Foods. And we just saw this jumped out at me from our friends at Samuel Smith's Organic Perry Sparkling Pear Cider. Yeah!
Sammy, thank you. Thank you for the delicious cider and for everyone at Whole Foods making delicious cookies and everyone
Dex
here
Effects,
today.
is that true?
You know, wait.
Jeff Bezos owns Amazon, owns
Amazon?
Twitch.
And Twitchy?
Twitch. Jeff
he
Bezos owns a Twitch.
He has not half, but Whole Food and Twitchy?
Jeff Bezos has Twitch.
Holy shit. Level 7 hype train. So back to back, by the way, the last one was a level 10. I wasn't even here. Y'all snuck in here and hit me with a level 10 hype train. And level 7 is our second highest hype train. Unbelievable. Can I get some like shog pogs, claps? I think everybody's subbed now. I think everybody on Twitch is subbed to Shogundi now. And that's... Cheers. I cheers both of my Eckies to you.
I cheers my Samuel Smith's Organic Perry Sparkling Pear Cider to you.
Wow.
Which has a surprisingly, it's 9.9% alcohol by volume, and I drank almost the full thing very, very fast because that's how I live my life.
you're entering a Wukong state of mind now.
Yeah, I'm ready to get wooed.
You're gonna start growing some fur in some other places now, son. You're gonna listen. You're about at that age now. You're gonna start noticing some new qualities about you that are gonna start forming sort of anthropomorphic qualities. So if you have any questions, of course, feel free to ask me, your father.
Yeah, I do. Thank you, Dad.
Yeah.
Where does the wolf kind of girth, when does that start?
Yeah.
'Cause it's been many years and it's really pretty thin, I'm willing to say.
Well, before your mom and I split, we talked about you might just be a late bloomer, but also we're not the wolf type. We're actually monkeys. We're actually monkey people. I don't know if she told you that or if she gives a shit about me anymore. Did she say anything about me this past
she
weekend?
never talks about you.
No, really?
I think she's done. Yeah.
She's still hanging around with Derek?
She's more of a wolf type now, not so much a simian
Is that what they're teaching you over there in
school?
school? I'm gonna stop sending you if that's what they're teaching you.
Yeah, well, I try because this is my real self. I love getting an education, and I would stay in a scholastic program no matter how long it took. I love school, and I love bureaucratic systems that force you not to be an individual. And
Bing!
that's just a little aside.
Can we get back to the game?
Yeah.
We've been standing up here just fucking staring out into oblivion. There's a whole ass game waiting for us here.
There is something, now that I've had one cider in me,
Yeah.
there is something a little interesting about the sexual aspect of furries too. If we could just circle back to that really quickly.
Yeah.
There is something a little interesting because, you know, you in many ways having sex is not so much logic based or character based. It's, what is it, folks? It's animal based.
Yeah.
And
It's
when
primal.
you get it's primal. It's carnal. You
Yeah.
know, it's kind of, it's, you get the teeth out. I'm ready to have sex. Yeah.
I want to take this moment specifically to thank you again for coming on the show. And this content you can expect a lot more of in the future. There's so much more we have to share with you guys, and I honestly, this was the best decision I've ever made in my entire career on Twitch. What were you saying? What? Can we go back to that a second ago? What was that?
Oh, nothing. I was elsewhere for a minute. I was in my carnal mind, but I'm
yeah.
back and I'm ready to play Wukong from our friends at Woo Studio.
What's really funny is like we started playing and now my sandwich is here. So if you wanna just keep digging on that.
Yeah,
that
sure.
thought.
Yeah, listen. In other words, everybody, Grit and Glitter, Mom Broy, Neon Sock, Bingia, Neon Sock, can we do this too? You know what I mean? And Mom Boy and Vitamin and everybody. If you're a streamer and you want me to come on and let's have fun and I want to do it, dude, because I just made Twitch my full-time career, and that means I got a lot of free time, and I want to hang out with you guys. I want to get around and get going. You know what I mean? And I will also say that now that Spectral Sybil, my former Twitch best friend, has now chosen a life of fame, and her collaborations with Sushi Dragon are going to escalate her to a height where she no longer remembers me.
You talking about Sybil again?
I am looking for a new best friend. No, of course not.
No.
I was saying I'm so excited to continue Wukong into the Woo.
Enter the Woo. We're actually, so this is a great opportunity to announce. I know this game just came out, but Vince and I are actually going to be founding members. We're going to be a part of Black Myth 2 Kong, coming out in 2027. And we're also simultaneously launching Wukong Fest today.
And at Wukong Fest, there's a lot of interesting stuff. Like there's a 48-inch LCD TV in a parking lot. And there are snacks. We call them Woo Dogs. It's in other words, I've got
tell 'em
Oscar
about the
Mayer
Woo
hot
Dogs.
I've got Oscar Mayer hot dogs that I'm making with my special Woo sauce, which some people say is mustard, but it's not. It's Woo sauce.
No, it's not mustard.
And we'll be doing exciting stuff like recreating scenes from Wukong, and we know so many of them after today.
As we've seen today, so much of this game.
So come on down to Woo Fest 2004 and say hello to my little friend.
All right.
All right.
Let's play this game.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to be completely honest. I don't know where to go from here. Oh wait.
Well, there
Is
was
this
a little.
it?
I think you could open up that little like pie tin thing. I don't know where to go from here. The answer is you go straight.
Yeah,
ahead,
just
and it is
follow the
exactly
fucking
in the
fire.
center.
That's a nice shot.
It's in the center of the screen. Look at that.
It's just,
That's just a little.
Oh, I love you, buddy. I'm so glad we're
I
doing
love
this.
you too. This is fucking great shit.
Oh
Truly.
man.
I would have eaten human shit with you on stream, which I know was your next idea.
That
I
was
am
that was
willing
our
to
that
do
was that was my opener. That was my first pitch.
Outside the forest fully restores your conditions and replenishes your gourd.
Yeah.
Now we haven't talked about this at all, but I am seeing the word gourd pop up quite a bit.
Yeah, this
Would
is
you like
this
to
is one of
speak to
those.
that?
This is one of those. You remember Strand type games when they were all talking about Strand type from what's the other Kojima game? This is a gourd type game. So there's a lot
Death
of
Stranding.
yeah, Death Stranding. So this is a Strand type game, and this is a gourd type game. So there's a lot of gourd play, and if you guys aren't into that, go somewhere else because you're about to see both of us get into a lot of gourd play, and I won't take another single question about it.
Sex Effect says, "Are both of you playing it?" No, I've got my gourd in my hand.
Yeah.
and Shogundi is playing it.
I have a
I'm more of
controller-
the guy on the couch. I'm more of the color commentator kind
Yeah.
of a role here.
So
Rightfully,
we
happily so.
we can actually take some of our sparks, our gourd sparks, and put them into some other gourd abilities. Endurance is probably a good one, and staff spin, mobile spin. Oh hell
How did
yeah!
you say that word that starts with an E? How did you pronounce that?
E.
Yeah, you said it's ENDURANCE. How do you say that?
Endurance.
Hmm.
How do you say it?
Endurance.
Endurance.
Who's right?
Who's right?
Endurance or endurance?
One's into if it's endurance the correct way, and then two if it's endurance.
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 Endurance. Indoor ants.
Endurance. Both.
Indoor ants. Both. Both.
Oh,
What was
Dex
that?
says it's your way. Lungfleece says it. They say it's your way.
No, but what was the B word? What was that? Was that one?
Both.
Both.
Okay. What's happening here? What's-
Bo-
both.
Both.
Both is the word.
Both.
Both.
Like Bofa.
Both.
Both.
baby.
Both.
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 Yeah. The more
So, yeah.
I hear it, the less sense it makes. That's what I said to my fucking LSU onboarding. The more I read it, the less sense it
Don't think you
makes.
can just
Hang on.
parade in, do you?
Uh-oh, Master Roshi.
It's not that simple. Let me transform you into a golden cicada. Yes! Follow the fires ahead.
If I had a
Scout
nickel.
this mountain unnoticed.
Oh, you know how long I've been waiting for this?
Fly!
God, think about all the pain you've been through in your life, right? Your lowest lows. And some guy comes up and he says, "Let me transform you into a golden cicada."
Let me squish you into the form of a bug. Forget all of your past, your ancestors. Now you have a single cell brain.
Just to get away from the pain, from the negativity, from the divorce. You could just fly away as a golden cicada. You know?
Come on, dude.
It's beautiful.
The cicada form may help you explore, but be wary. This form does not last forever.
Bug pill.
Should you find yourself lost, just follow my voice.
I think that's my dad.
What is he? A little cat? I love it, man. A little furry little.
Yeah. They've got like jackal or like wolf. Almost like the
Now, out of curiosity, and I don't mean to interrupt, but can you crawl up the pants?
yeah, wait. Hang on. Where's de-transform? Oh. Sorry.
Oh shit! Oh Jesus!
Just having a conversation. A fucking monkey man transforms back from a bug.
After it was trying to crawl up your pants, very noticeably so.
Yeah, kept getting into your loincloth there. Wait, can I go back? Can I turn back into a bug? How do I do this? I wasn't. How do I get in the pants? All right, I think that was like a one-time thing. So we really maxed that one out.
Your latency is like the most impressive I've ever seen. I have to
Really?
say, like there's very little time between real life and the stream, and I've never actually seen that. Did you do some fancy shit to get that?
No. I think I did splurge. I did get a really good PC a couple years ago, but I'm so glad to hear that, because when I tell you, like, the day was not with me, the first like 5 hours of my
That did
day
not sound like it.
was fumbling and trying to get back up, trying to get ahead of the day. So the fact that you said that really just makes me so happy that that is the case.
Yeah, it's really good.
Nice. Do you think you're going to get this game for yourself, or you just want to hang out here?
I think so. I think I could, but honestly, I mean, where we go from here is difficult, because you're gonna want to play it, right?
Yeah.
And then what if, so I don't know. I'll think about it when I'm less drunk. Speaking of GoPuff,
GoPuff.
Barbie Zodiac, who I also would like to do a little collab with. Silly Girl says, I didn't see a bunch of Shoguns coming up. Oh, you're talking to specific people. See, now my head is spinning on this fucking, what is this?
The Sammy Smith
Organic
Smiter.
Are you a cider freak?
I love cider.
Me too.
I really do. I like shandies and ciders and whatever the hell this guy's gonna offer me. Hey, do you have any drinks? You got any drinks up in that big noggin of yours? Wandering White. Oh, dude, it's Walter.
Never drank that.
It's Walter
Oh,
White.
wow. This is kind of Breaking Bad 2.
Breaking Bad 2, the re-breaking. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
He just killed me.
In one shot?
I'm dead.
Okay, we gotta tune in here.
All right.
We gotta tune in here.
I'm gonna take another bite of my Sammy here.
What did you get? Where did you order from? That was so fast.
Freaky fast. I got a
Jimmy
ham and
John's.
cheese Sammy from old, believe it or not, Johnny Jablinski.
Wow. I didn't realize he was doing door delivery for sandwiches. I thought his business as a lawyer was going a little better than that, but that makes sense.
He's been ruining a lot of weddings recently, and I guess there's some money to be made in that. So
Wow.
he's got a JJ's
But not
now.
enough, because he's working at Jimmy John's. You go into a Jimmy John's and you see a very rich lawyer kind of behind the counter. What do?
Hey, what
Okay,
can
wait.
I fucking make you today?
What can I make you today? How about a spicy Italian?
Fun fact, I pitch his voice down slightly, and I don't really know why.
Really?
Yeah, it's like almost unrecognizably so, and it doesn't really do much. I don't know why I keep doing it. Okay, GoPuff would like to send you notifications. No thanks. But
You don't
I
want him
would
to
like
notify
get
you?
gear. Did you beat the big blue guy?
No,
What
I went the
blank?
different way. I'm fighting the red guy now. He didn't have any drinks for us. I don't think he knows about GoPuff. Oh. Oh.
If you were in medieval times, would you think what would you have been? Like a knight or a wizard or a
Oh, man.
dragon? You know what I mean? A furry.
Yeah, you got it. I would love to have been like one of the You remember you play Legend of Zelda games, right?
Uh-huh.
You remember Beetle?
Oh yeah! Oh my god! Of course! Yes, of course! Yeah.
That guy? I wanted to be him.
Yeah.
I wanted to go and like just
Okay.
travel the world and sell exotic wares, goods, and stuff. Like I feel like I would be like a gypsy in a sense, like with the just far traveler and getting all kinds of trinkets and stuff. I always liked that he kind of came back through all the games and was like
Dude,
alongside of the hero.
You were spot on with that voice. That brought it right back. I played Wind Waker.
Yeah.
I played the wee wolf and
Twilight
wee
Princess.
Midna.
The
See,
wolf persona comes through.
And let me tell you this. I'm willing to admit this too. I had a bizarre crush on the little alien character that
Midna.
sits on the wolf when I was a kid. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that paid off at
Can't
the end,
explain
didn't
that
it?
to you.
She turns into a full-blown alien
Yeah.
woman at the end, doesn't she?
That's right. And shout out to Zant. He never came back in, did he? In a
Zant.
Zelda game.
Which one
When
was
he
that?
cracks his neck at the end. Wasn't that his name?
Oh, from Twilight Princess?
Yeah.
I don't think
Wasn't his
so.
name Zant?
There's a lot of like Ganon clones, and I'm looking at this now and I'm realizing I'm like semi-corporeal on my display. Hang on a second. I'm fading. Wait, come back to me.
Come back. Come back.
No. All right, how's that? You do it again. All right. A little fun. Little OBS editing fun there for you.
Search GoPuff beer.
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 Beers near me. Google beers near me.
Beers near me.
Beers
I never
for
really had a Dos Equis, but I might try it out.
like a lager. You go like a lager.
To be honest with you, I only started drinking like 3 or 4 years ago, and I don't really know what a lager is.
Oh, you love it. It's so they took one Equis and then they put them together and they put them in a single bottle, and it's one of the best. I actually use this. So we have like a chicken taco soup that we love to make. If you're into soups at all, it calls for. Yeah.
Soups are a little tough.
Oh,
And can I tell you why?
why?
Because when you eat a soup out of like, picture yourself eating soup.
Okay,
And I
hang
don't
on.
want to ruin
Wait,
it for you.
shut up for a second. Wait. Okay.
I don't want to ruin it for you, but if you picture yourself eating soup out of a bowl,
Yeah.
you're using a spoon, okay? And now you're slurping the spoon, and what's dripping back into the bowl? The answer is your own spit and your slop and your smuck from your fucking mouth.
It becomes a
when you're
self soup.
Yeah, I can't do that, you know?
No?
Like, you're just slurping and gopping and glooping back into the bowl, and then you're eating your own gloop and gop and spit and slop. And it's like a big slop fest when I think about soup.
You know, I've never heard someone put it that way. I don't think I can ever eat soup again. I don't know, something about eating my own glop and glip and soup and droop. I think I hate soup now.
I'm telling you, it's like taking a bath in your own shit. It really is very similar to.
Well, I love doing that, so you'd think I love soup.
No. Do you not like French kissing? Can I be completely honest with you, Grit? I am not a big fan of it, and that's the God's honest truth.
Oh no!
And I probably have. Yeah, this probably runs deep.
Well,
Barbie, same for you. I'm not into it. You're licking and slopping and you're gooping and gopping.
That's the
I'm all
carnal.
good.
That's
Let's just get
that's
to
the carnal
action.
in you, though. You let that take over, and you don't think about it.
Oh, maybe you're right. But about making out, dogs don't make out.
No, but they like the smell and do the other stuff. So get that
Dogs
tongue
like the
out of here,
smell.
Sybil says.
Yeah, I don't like when the tongue. Why does the tongue have to go? I like a little smooch. I love you,
Yeah.
bing. You know, and
Little
then if you wanna do other
mwah.
stuff, bing, bing,
Little
bing,
mwah.
bing, bing.
Little
But the
mwah.
tongue.
Yeah. Well, I was gonna say what my thought was that it calls for Mexican lager and beer in the soup, and it makes a really good soup. But it sounds like you
What
said,
the- I don't think
"Fuck
that's
you,
soup. I think
fuck
you're
your
just getting-
soup, fuck your friendship, and your stupid little monkey show." And I'm just gonna come in here and talk about how I'm a furry and want to make out, but not with tongue, because that doesn't make any fucking sense, you know. Man, you invite a guy on your show one time, and it just. Wow, man. Trying to bond with my whole brother here.
Do furries have sex holes? Listen, I'm not going to answer that because that feels like a negative question.
No.
Let's try a
You're
positive question.
You're coming back into it now. You're discovering. Remember Midna? Remember the wolf's link and how you
Yeah.
guys had a symbiotic whatever
Yeah.
relationship?
I
You don't
was
think they did
jealous
that?
They did it on Newgrounds. I can guarantee you that. If you were looking for Midna and Link to do some shit, if you went to Newgrounds, you could absolutely
Where?
find that. I
Oh
promise you.
wow, that's horrible. Where did they put this? Where was
Oh.
it on
There was
Newgrounds?
an-
So I can
dude,
when I can block it from my page. Where is it? So I
Yeah,
can
you
warn people
definitely
about
don't-
it.
You do not want to go to Newgrounds. I mean, it's been years since there was no feeling like being a kid and realizing that Newgrounds had HENTAIN games
And
that you
Ahigo.
could play on Yes, and they literally had a game that was just like, I don't even know, hentai girl or something, and you could just go on there and click around, and it was like, who cares that your parents are fighting downstairs? You know what I mean?
And
Who
anything
cares
to
that
take you out of
don't
that.
know Yeah, hentai girl saved my life.
Did you ever? So this is deep cut. This is gonna make or break our bond together, if you so to speak. Did anybody ever show you Albino Black Sheep, which is like a clone of Newgrounds or E-Bombs World or one of those shows
Oh my God.
or one of those sites?
It's only vaguely familiar. Should I look it up?
Yeah, it's very different now than what it used to be. But back in like the early 2000s, that was like, you were not supposed to be on websites like that. But
have
it was, like we were kids.
hentai
It
and
just
shit?
we find all kinds of random shit on the internet and share it with each other. That's where I found, we were talking about it in, I think it was either Vitamin Pug or Neon Sock Media's stream, which, by the way, go follow Neon Sock Media and Vitamin Pug and Mom Boy and everybody else who's ever streamed in their life who's here. I learned about the Ultimate Showdown.
This is the ultimate showdown
Of Ultimate Destiny. Woo! Grew up on that stuff.
The
man.
only thing that was not as good about Ultimate Showdown is it wasn't really hentai related.
Right. Different genre.
Yeah, that
Hang on.
changed it a little bit for me.
Hey, are you GoPuff?
Look at this guy.
Are you GoPuff? Oh no.
Is he a bird?
Yeah, he's a dude. He's a bird.
Oh my God,
He's a Kenku.
fucking bird. Look at him.
He's fucking me up.
Oh, he's my favorite so far. Look
Dude,
at this character
his
design. What's
beak.
hanging off the end of that stick?
He could be Arlen's brother. Dude, he's freaking giving me the senorita right now. Hang on. I gotta lock in.
Dex Effects, your stream is the weirdest thing online. Gee, I've already seen the
I
weirdest
love
thing online.
Dex's streams.
Dex Effects convinced a scammer to sing the Lime song. I don't think it gets weirder than that.
Can someone please in DMs, if you have it? I've been trying to go back and watch, like we were just saying earlier. Like there's so many great streamers and people out there, but I would love to hear some freaking scammer halfway around the world singing "We're the Limes." Can someone send that to me,
I'll find it for
please?
you. I'll
Thank
find
you.
it for you. It's
oh my
incredible.
god.
Vince is a freak for bird content. I once wrote an entire D&D 4-shot campaign that it was all
You did
Kenku
not.
all the way. Yeah, and all my friends had to play as a bird character, and there was a great mystery, and the writing was so good, and I rarely say this about my own stuff. The depth and the story was so incredible that very early into my relationship, which is now my marriage, I told my girlfriend at the time that I was like, I'm sorry I can't go on our date at the last minute. I'm knee deep in this bird mystery story that I'm writing, and I just have to stay with it tonight. And she actually got upset.
Oh, does she still like give you
She
shit
didn't
about?
know me. She didn't know me as well back then, and now she would probably celebrate that. But in the beginning, we had a date planned, and I was like, I'm writing a story about birds that. It's just, you would not believe it. It's a bird fantasy. They have swords.
Fucking
She's like,
Alfred
"Fucking
Hitchcock
really?"
doesn't know shit about this one. Listen, this is the real bird story. You were on some other worldly shit with it, right?
It really was.
So
It
you
really
know
was.
about like the Kenku and the mimicry and all of the.
Oh yeah,
dude.
Oh,
So I am currently we're playing Curse of Strahd, which is like if you don't know anything about D
played
and D,
one little piece of it. Yeah, yeah. We died very early on, but I know about it. Yeah.
it's brutal, but it's of like a vampire sort of diary setting of like you're whisked away to Barovia and my character, I'm playing a Kenku druid that is like,
Yes.
it's so fun. It's like, because they can't speak. They do parrot, they do mimicry.
Yes.
So I have to like wait and pick and choose to kind of like get a little bank of like audio alerts, you know, like a soundboard of other people's like phrases and words, and it's such a unique play style. I've been playing D&D for like 10 years, and I love this little freaking gremlin bird character so much. I'm so glad, like, you know the lore, you know all the D&D stuff,
Dude,
man.
Not that everything in life needs to be turned into content, but I think there's probably something to be said about a D&D. Get some of the people in here that play it and do a little stream and you DM it. What do you think of that?
Woo!
We get some folks in here and we go D&D mode. That would be wild.
I'll run it. Hand on the Jitter Bible. I will run this game, and we'll get it started. I'll do all the setup. I'll figure out whatever that looks like. We can do like a session 0 and figure out what that looks like, and then we just that be its own thing. That's all I've ever wanted.
Sybil says that she's coming, but by that time Sybil will be
She's
on
gonna
the
be
Jay Leno show.
Yeah,
so she's going to be way too far up for us.
Sushi
There's no
Dragon and
way
her,
you're
they're gonna
playing
go, and they're gonna
right.
take over Twitch, and then Jimmy Kimmel's gonna fly him out to get slimed over at Nickelodeon or something, and it's gonna be this whole
Right,
You're gonna,
Sybil and Sushi Dragon are going to get slimed on the Jimmy Kimmel show.
yeah, I posted about it this morning. He caught the show and he was
Sushi
like, "I gotta get
Dragon.
you guys. I gotta slime you guys here on the show."
It's going to be Slime Time Live all over again. They're going to be playing Double Dare 2000. You guys have no fucking idea what you're in for. So instead, Sybil, very nice offer, okay, but you're going to be in the big leagues by the time it's next week. So we will not be playing with you, but thank you very much.
Thank you so
we would love
much.
to have you, but you will forget all about us
Yeah.
after tomorrow's interview with Sushi Dragon, the Bing Lord himself.
Yeah. No, I would I would
anyway.
love nothing more if we could even do it in a way where like other people could step in, you know, like rotating cast and have like
Let's put our minds into this, because there's probably a way to do like NPCs or something, or alerts, or like something they fuck up the dice roll. Like there's got to be a way to incorporate some gamification in that.
Yeah. I'm all about it, dude. I'm all about it. Let's
Sybil and Neon Sock would fucking play. I know that. I'd
Mom
love to
Boy,
see
I know.
Dex I think Dex Effects plays.
You play Dex? You in?
I know he plays. I think he plays D&D. Yeah, I feel like we've talked about it.
Oh, I
Yeah,
do.
He does.
Yeah. Oh man, this is it. This is all my fucking stars and dreams coming true today. Like having you on the show, playing Wukong, talking about playing D&D together, dude. What have you done to me, Vince? You changed my life.
I feel the same way. I feel the same way about you, and I feel the same way about this coyote with the nice little bun, hair tied up all nice, who is now dead.
Yeah,
and,
he got
underneath the
dust.
water.
He got Thanos snapped super fast. Oh man, yeah. I something about the game too. It's like group storytelling, and if you've never played before, it's really great when you have some other people to help you get into it. And fair warning to Sybil and Neon Sock, and if anybody we get in who's never like is curious or interested, that's all you're going to be able to do. It's all you're going to think about. You're just going to want to make D&D characters and buy sets of dice and want to like try a new module out, and then that's we're just going to become D&D streamers. I can already see it in my remember the first guy from the intro in my third eye.
Yeah.
In my wrinkly third eye, I can see it.
Who will DM? Shogun is going to DM it.
Yeah, I got a one shot that I think is perfect for like Oh shit! Oh no!
Look at this!
Ooh.
Holy hell!
Ooh.
What a character!
Perfect timing on that, Mel. Thank you. What a
lot of
character!
other really great systems out there. Yeah. So my friends and I used to use Roll20.
Yeah, we did for
I don't know if
years.
you've ever used that.
After
That was kind of
COVID,
our
that's what
thing.
we used.
The only thing I've ever used.
Yeah.
And admittedly, I think we had a lot of friends at varying levels of interest in our group. So our DM, and then later I was the DM, and we really skirted around. Like we kind of made it our own. We did a lot of homebrew shit. So I think I could even brush up on the more like bare bones. It's been years since I've played, and I know they just came out with a new book,
Yeah.
new edition.
Yeah, so they redid 5th edition, and it's like a whole new system. They also have Daggerheart, which is Critical Role's new modular,
that's
like
interesting.
play tabletop system, which I actually did a play test with a buddy of mine. Toadsparks, you're here. Yeah, a lot of great systems out there too. And thank you so much, Michelle, for the subscription for 3 months, dude. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Yep, the Flareons are here. Yeah, you absolutely need those Flareons in your arsenal. Thank you so much. Yeah, Toadsparks had me on his podcast, and we played like a quick session of Daggerheart.
Oh my god! Yeah. Okay.
So lots of dude. There's so many great choices and things that like we could go with. Like either from Roll20, we play a lot in Foundry. If you've seen,
I know about it, but I've never used it.
it's intense. Like the learning curve is pretty steep, but once you get it, it's I personally feel like it's one of the best remote play, like to be able to like play together from, you know, people will be joining from around the world. So like that's one of the best ones. Pretty sure I still have a license for it, so I could look into that and see. Set
Do you
that
know
up.
that Chris Mack has been looking for a therapeutic game master for like the longest time? Do you know anything about this?
I know it was one of the goals when we did the marathon for Erica Legacy, and I saw they had like they're trying to set people up to play
He asked me to
D&D.
do it, so he wanted me to do it for a while, but I there's like a course that I had to take, and at the time I was so bogged down with a million things, and I was highly interested but couldn't do it. You might be the frickin' person who's looking for that.
Dude, I tell you, like, dreams come true. Like, teaching people how to play the game, one of the most, like, fun, creatively engaging mediums. Like, I think once people... Oh, damn it. Once people get past I think the initial fear, right, is the role play and, like, pretending to be somebody else and kind of stepping into another character. There's so much of, like, creative freedom to be like, what do you want to do next? And you know, you've run games, you've written freaking Pulitzer Prize winning D&D campaigns. Like, it's so easy to get swept away and just immediately fall into like, okay, well, let's go explore this area. And then before you know it, 4 hours go by and you blink and it's like, wait, when are we playing again? I love it.
I think I could see Sybil before she gets into the Jimmy Kimmel and on all that kind of shit. If we catch her before that, which admittedly it starts tomorrow.
Yeah,
it kind of started.
It's going to
yesterday.
ramp up pretty quick.
I think she would really like it. I do. I really do.
Yeah, I think Sybil would be perfect.
My first D&D character of all time his name was Stutch.
Stutch.
He was a hornbill Kenku who would shoot banana cream pies out of a giant trumpet. And to this day, I think my creativity peaked there, and it's all kind of been on the downturn.
When are we get Staunch?
Stutch. He was a bard.
Stutch? When are we
And he had
getting
this giant
Stutch on the
trumpet.
stream?
Yeah, we might have to get him. I am surprised I never animated him. There's artwork done of him, but
I know about
Stutch.
Thatch. I learned that recently on the Bad Street program. Holy shit. I was totally late to all of that, but I was screaming in my chair when the promo for Thatch dropped. I was like, there's no way he's coming back. Oh, that blew me away.
Know who he was, right?
Yeah, but I was a fan. I was immediately a fan.
Yeah, my friends and I, when we were really, I mean, I've probably consciously downplayed it ever since a few weeks ago with you, but like, yeah, I mean, growing up, wrestling was my fucking life. Like professional wrestling was everything. And I could not even tell you how many shows, how many paychecks I saved up from the comic book store I used to go to and work at to pay to go to see wrestlers and independent wrestlers. And I grew up in Chicago, and so that was everything. And when we were young, me and Alec, also known as Bad Street on Twitch, I made a fucking wrestler named Thatch in a video game in like 2011.
Wow.
And he has maintained that character through to his current Twitch show, and it was a blast.
It was so sweet too to like see you guys obviously interacting, like having fun, playing, you know, like the game, or just like, I think the beauty of that too is like once you make all the characters, all of the content plays itself, and you can tell it's such a big part of your guys' life. Hang on, I gotta fight this guy.
Yeah, let's get this guy.
Yeah, Wandering Walter White here.
Walter White.
Yeah.
Jason says, Vince, the amount of wrestling tweets you make is absolutely unreal. I've been trying to tone it down recently, and my Twitter used to just be me tweeting about wrestling. Now it's not. Now I'm trying to rebrand.
Yeah.
Now I tweet about Avril Lavigne.
My point was, I loved that you guys, you were in your element. You were doing exactly what you would have been doing years ago, and it just, you fell into it, and then the excitement just took over when Thatch makes his debut, and it was just, it gave me that feeling of like before I got jaded and upset about, you know, my reality and trying so hard to get away from all of that. Being a fan again and being at the shows and being like, let's go Thatch. Like I was there. I was in the fucking pews.
Hey, listen, I'm glad it kind of brought you there, but I've been meaning to ask you, did you ever go to NXT shows?
Oh, I went to every single one. Yeah, I didn't miss a single one. You know, that's why I went to Full Sail, was because I was going to be in all the NXT shows. So I was there. I was taking notes. Yeah, that was a blast.
Glad to hear it.
No, we talked about it on the interview earlier this week, but I didn't really go to the shows. I didn't really give a shit. I just, you know, I was in my own lane. I was trying to focus on doing my arts, get my art degree. Really paid off, really proud of myself. And then, I haven't been a fan in so long, like not since I was a little kid, for obvious reasons.
It's even possible for you to like unmarry all of that and see it in any kind of objective way at this point?
Yeah, absolutely. I think there's a part of it too that like I know it's such a big deal for families, kids, and like I can let go. I can, you know, fully just be there and appreciate the showmanship, the athleticism, the performance of it, right? Like it's incredible. Like it's a larger than life scene, and I will tell you, if you've ever been to a show live, it is electrifying. It is just, you know, you forget like it's a production, and like you're just there and you're just watching people duke it out. Like I can definitely lose that my sense of self in it and just enjoy and be there, sure. But after growing up with it, I just was like, you know, I've seen enough, man. Like,
yeah, I'm sure I'd have the same reaction.
Yeah, but like I love that, you know, again, people have such fond memories of it and growing up and sharing that, you know, experience. Monday nights, freaking, what was it, SmackDown and all of that stuff. Like it was like ritual. It was like communal space, and I love hearing that. That is always, I think I'm going to take like joy from that. People just love sharing that part of it with me.
Are you do you like any sports? Like, are you a sports guy in any way? I'm not, surprisingly.
No, I'll be honest. I missed pretty much the entire Olympics. I
didn't watch one thing.
Yeah, like I understand oh God, I see the red. You see him?
The who? I don't see shit.
Yeah, out there in the distance.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's fucking Raphael. Dude,
it's Sephiroth, dude. Oh my God. I'm not big into sports. Like I told you, I was captain of the bowling team growing up in high school. That was as far in as I was willing to go.
More sports than I've ever done.
Yeah, and just never really picked it up. I've always been artsy fartsy. Sorry.
Same, but I think there's something probably not like pro wrestling was the closest I got. Like the ritual of like there's some reason to gather with your friends once a week. Like how people maybe gather to watch a football game, which was I never did. But we did gather in high school to watch Monday Night Raw with like all the local neighborhood kids, which was, by the way, like Juice Springsteen from my chat and Bad Street and Bad Blando. Like we would all gather every Monday night. We order a pizza When I say every Monday night, then it didn't stop there. Like then we move away and we go to college, but then there's Discord, and we
You
still
kept it
to
up.
this day,
Yeah.
you know, we screen share together, even if we think it sucks or we don't care. And I think I feel like in some ways I missed out on more of that by not being a sports person, because I don't think art as a category has like a routinely gathering thing like that.
Not yet.
Does it? Not yet.
Not yet. Maybe later. Maybe later this afternoon.
Yeah. Art ball.
Art ball. Draw the ball.
Be the ball. You are the ball.
Conceptualize the ball.
Yeah, I think
Paint the ball.
Balamanjaro.
I think yeah, there's definitely, I think we've found ourselves here in a space of like creative, almost a little bit of competitiveness, I would say. There's definitely an element to it that's like there's no marks or measurement to really like scoring points or whatever, arbitrary, but I think there's something about too, it's like I see you guys working and making stuff and it's like, well, I want to do that too, and like the artist competitiveness of like, well, I don't want to fall behind, or I don't want to give up on this and keep pushing myself in the way traditional sports, I think, is the allure. Again, not a sports guy, but I think part of that is like finding those community aspects, like the places where you feel like, I don't know, you're pushing yourself, you're challenging yourself, trying to do better.
It's a good word for it, competitiveness.
Yeah.
I try to be I secretly somewhere in me, there is like kind of in the way that Art and Jess talked about, like there's a wolf that she doesn't want to feed deep inside her. I have that. I feel like I really do.
Yeah.
And like there is definitely a reflex. Like if my brother has a really good show, particularly good show, or if he hits like a certain viewership, or he did something explosive, or if Spectral Sybil goes and fucking hangs out with Sushi Dragon, there's definitely a wolf in me that is like, fuck, no, you need to work harder. Oh my God, you're going to fall behind. And I try to literally picture and imagine Art and Jess' voice in my head and be like, you know what? That little guy does not get fed today. Who are we feeding? I want to feed fucking hanging out with everybody in the community. I want to feed friendship.
Yeah.
I want to feed like celebration for everybody's accomplishments, with the understanding that every artist in this world is wholly unique. And that ends up feeling so much better, because there is, when that wolf is eating, there is no competition. Though everyone is completely their own person, no one can actually be replaced, because to be replaced means to emulate and put in the play, and you can't emulate. You can emulate, but not really. You can't really get that person unless you're talking to them, unless you're watching them, unless you're experiencing them.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, I try to hang on to that. When I think about Sybil and Sushi Dragon, I try to hang on to that.
I get grumpy on wolf days. Me too. And I love that part where you were saying how it's like you feed the other wolf and it kind of overrides that, but there is that hunger to like want to constantly do more. And I loved that conversation with Brenda, with Art and Jess, who is equally responsible for that ghost train, by the way. Brenda, I'm still salty about that. Could not believe what you guys did here, but such a good human being and such a great take on that. Like you were talking about earlier, like the pride aspects and like the ego, you know, you have to step in. I always consciously come to my space and my forge and my stream as like, I have no expectations for like fame and growth and Jimmy Kimmel sliming and all the other, you know, like future goals and things like that are good, but like I don't ever go into it with that like I'm going to do this better than somebody else. I want to be better than who I was the last time. I want to improve. I want to, you know, take notes and keep refining my own craft alongside of everybody else, where I see a lot of what you have done, and you found this like rhythm. You had this like routine that you kept, like, okay, we do talks, we do interviews, and then Creature Show, or like the freaking comfy cozy time was perfect. And I think it's furthermore, it allows you to do what you've always wanted to do, which is sit down and play games and hang out and create a communal space and just this talking, hanging out, watching your buddies play games. Like, of course, dude, this is like what we grew up on, what we like were I think like before all the fucking came into your own adulthood and like life kind of, you know, tries to steer you and throw you into boxes and tell you can't be a fucking bird man or a monkey man or a whatever. It's like, no, like we come back to, I think, what we dreamed up of. And I think a lot of the joys of being an adult and coming back to like your sense of self, like we were saying on Tuesday, was like, you get to make that inner child so happy and furthermore explore everything that, like, you know, that is in front of you. If it's want to be video games, if it's going to be artwork, if it's going to be, you know, like having friends over and doing the Monday Night Raw or having D&D night. It's like we fight so hard. We are so feral, and like that, like I think overrides everything. It's like we do everything else just to come back to Friday night D&D or Monday Night Raw or playing Wukong. Exactly. It's like that. I think that tenacity and the ferocious like competitiveness is to just get back to what we've always wanted to do, right? Like,
yeah. And it's a balance, like, and it just gets. Thank God I'm a juggler by trade, because to get back to do all the things you really want to do.
Yeah.
Like you definitely have to be very, very mindful, because that same wolf that is competitive and all of that, I can lose myself in this. And oh my God, speaking of the wolf, is he a wolf?
Yeah. Guangxi, yeah.
This is the ego wolf we're about to fight right fucking now.
This is ego death right here. Chat, you need to fight your own Guangxi and be your authentic selves. This is what it's going to look like. Oh.
My Guangxi is saying, "What do you mean, Sushi Dragon? What do you mean you forgot about me? We're not going to be friends anymore." Jimmy Kimmel interviews? Really?
Oh, shit. Wait,
what an awesome little animation.
Whoa.
Oh.
I gotta freeze him. I gotta freeze his. Oh. What an
Absolutely
asshole.
Binged on that one.
Yeah. This is so cool.
He's awesome.
Yeah.
I love the what is it? I mean, we haven't played for very long, actual game time wise, and there's been like, what is he, like the 4th little boss?
Yeah, I think we've found 3 or 4 little mini bosses. We keep coming back here to the freaking outskirts shrine. I think we're still technically in like the first 20 minutes of the game.
Little tutorial, probably.
Yeah. This is we may not have shown you a lot, but what do you think so far? Love to get your thoughts on it.
I think it's freaking awesome. It reminds me of a game I played. You were a purple ninja. I can't even think. It was on the PlayStation 1. I used to play it with my neighborhood friends, like just this world where it's that style of fighting. Of course, it was with like low poly bullshit back then. But I could see myself getting completely lost in this world in an intimidating but alluring way.
Yeah. I think there's so much of like we're wandering around just chit-chatting, but we keep finding like new little corners and places. This is a Shogundy kind of game where I can just wander and get lost. I always appreciate games that's like, here's where you start and here's all the controls and now you play and you just do whatever your little heart desires. There's no railroad. There's no like, I mean, there's probably a story out there, but let me get to it when I'm ready. I love that. I love hands off, kind of just let you naturally find your groove through it. I'm in love. I love this game.
I've
this
struggled
guy
to play, and I love being here.
And I love you, and I
guy.
love being here.
Look at this guy.
Yeah,
that's in many ways this is what Shogundi's great grandfather looks like, who is currently communicating with me through the Wu Mind.
Yeah, the Wu Mind. He came to you in a dream, and he told you about this boss over here. Your ego death.
He told me how to beat him.
Yeah,
And the way to beat him, again, is to feed the wolf of friendship. So I
Yes.
want you to have that mentality when you go in on this battle right now. Don't think about Sybil,
All right.
you know, forgetting about you and Jimmy Kimmel. And don't think about all the things that the other people in this incredible community are working on. And Vitamin Pug's new background. And
Yeah.
Mom Boy's fucking green screen corner. And
Okay.
Barbie Zodiac's Ninja Turtles Yoda. And Dex Effects' scam calls with the guy making him sing about the limes. Don't think about any of that.
Nope.
Just think about friendship and beer, baby.
Woo! Beer for fears. Okay. beers for fears, beers for tears. Ugh. I didn't even listen to a word you said. I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm a monkey
Well, you're
boy
staying
right now.
alive.
Oh! Come on. Come on. Go! Come on, I beat Elden Ring. I can fight Guangzi, the freaking wolf shitter.
Well, why don't you prove it? Since you're so competitive.
I'm thinking about it. Let's do you do. Let me give you the controller. Fight your Guangzi and the freaking shit mountain.
Tony B, it's really, really good. Very impressive, very creative character designs and stuff like that.
Tony! What's up? MFer.
We were talking about ego death shortly before you joined.
Yeah. Tony, you know about that?
Tony Beeswax, do you remember the name of the video game that we used to play with fucking Tony and Rita that had a purple ninja in it? We used to play
Oh
in the
yeah,
basement?
Tony's our oracle here.
Yeah, it's my real life sibling. So
Oh. I'm like racking my brain. You were describing it, but I don't remember. Purple ninja.
he has a little purple ninja. He would, if you pressed A, he would eat his own shit, believe it or not. And everything else about the game was pretty similar to this.
Sybil, if you're the oracle, what game is Vince talking about right now? Use your spectral powers, your sleuth powers.
Sybil, better yet, if you're the oracle, how many viewers do you think you're going to have next week when you completely forget all about me?
That's not how the oracle works for video games. All right. So then what is it? How about tonight? Ooh, just calling you out.
How about tonight what? When you
Yeah.
forget about me tonight? Yeah, sure. If you want to make it even sooner, great.
Way to rush through it.
Ninja Shadow of Darkness?
Ninja Shadow of
Maybe that could be
Darkness.
it.
Bat knows.
There was a
Bat,
game
it's
about
good
a
to see you
purple
too, Bat.
Ninja.
I saw Bat came in and she said that we look like we could pass as brothers. Bat, I don't know if you know this. This is my actual long lost
Yeah.
twin brother.
Yeah. This is actually true. We met in a hole.
Yeah.
But also,
we funny enough, yeah, we met him in the hole that we were born in. It was down in
How do you remember the Jersey Shore stuff?
St. Petersburg, Florida.
Have you heard there's a rumor in St. Petersburg? Does that mean anything to you?
Have you heard? Wait, what was it?
Did you ever see the animated movie Anastasia? Speaking about animated babes.
Oh yeah. Wait a second. You're tapping into something. Wait. Say it again.
Have you heard there's a rumor in St. Petersburg? Have you heard what they're saying on the street?
Ooh. What are they saying?
Have you heard you can lock yourself in your bedroom? Have you heard and go on newgrounds.com looking up pictures of Anastasia and videos of her having SCX? Sorry, I was somewhere else for a minute there.
I don't remember that, Anastasia.
No, me. Who's that? Anyway, we're about to go up to a boss.
Yeah. Yeah, right around this corner here. Look, there's my ancestor again. Okay, he's reminding us to
That's right.
eat your Wheaties and fight the ego death within. Okay, Guangzi, here we go.
Guangzi, baby. Let's take it to the basement, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, get frozed. Get frozen. Ooh.
Were you charging up there?
Yeah, if you hold Y, it'll charge up your power attack, and you'll get like a little flash. Also, I'm noticing if I hit a perfect dodge, I like create a little clone. You see that?
Yeah.
There's a lot of like little nuance to the fighting
How
system.
much freeze juice do you have?
There's another one. Ooh, freeze juice. I have. I think it's on like a 20-second timer. All right, let me juice up here. Ooh, fuck. Oh, there we go.
Sicko mode right now.
Who sings that song?
What song? Sicko mode?
I've been fucking on my Wukong and a monkey, and I hit a
Ursula.
Guangxi in my ego, and he's dead.
The
Something
Little
like that.
Mermaid. Yeah, I think that's how it goes.
ATL up when I step up in the boo. Fuck.
Barbie Zodiac, I'd love to. What can what's so hard to understand about my thought process? You know what I mean? It's the thought process that we all share together. If we tap into the zeitgeist and all that shit that you're into, right? With
You know about the
little cards
zeitgeist?
and all that. Barbie Zodiac's big on the zeitgeist, right up here.
Right up here in this little corner. Yeah, I'm very much a riffer, if you will. I take what is given and I just yes and forever. I go, I run. So I appreciate when someone else can throw it back, and it's one of my favorite things about you, buddy.
One of my favorite things about you, you know, it's actually hard to even think of one because you're just such an asshole.
Yeah.
And you've really treated me like shit almost every day since I've met you. But
Well, keep it up.
thanks for all the nice stuff you've said about me, though.
Yeah, no, keep it up, because I'm going to put you back in the box again. And good luck with your stream tonight, because that's definitely not going to happen. You keep talking to me like that. Okay? Zip it up. I'm about to show you the Guangxi, and you know what that means.
We will be engaging in a fist fight at the very end of the show, which unfortunately, how much time do you think I need to do my show? 30 minutes? Maybe I have 30 minutes.
I haven't even looked at the time, buddy. Where are we at?
It's flying, unfortunately. It's 5 o'clock. My show's at 6. I probably need 30 minutes to set it up.
I thought we just started.
I know.
Wow.
I know.
Well, I mean, as long as I got you, right? Like, whatever you need, I'll just, I'll hang out. I'll keep trying to fight Walter White and the Ego Wolf.
Let's
and
go. Who seems easier?
Walter, probably. Walter, if I can get back to him, I think he's back on the other side of the bridge.
Definitely slower.
Yeah, and I think if I can watch out for his freaking Kamehameha wave, I can get him. And this asshole.
Ooh.
Honestly, who uses a bow anymore? Freaking Legolas ass looking.
No, Joe Rogan.
Yeah,
Ass.
Master Splinter. looking ass. All right, I think he's over here.
Bing. Right off the thing. Right off the hill there.
Yeah, definitely, brothers. It's like playing D&D.
think
It's
they're gonna keep
exactly like
streaming
playing D. All right, here he is. All right, forget everything. Head empty, only monkey.
Only Gretchen and Elliot Schwartz and how they stole the company from you. And how you need to create an empire.
Ow. Fucker. Do it again. Oh, what happened? Oh.
Bing.
He's like, come with me. Oh, okay. I didn't know it. Okay.
God
Now and then
damn,
he
he's
puts
so-
the fucking explosive earthquake down. Of course, I didn't know
What are
about
you
the
even supposed to do about that?
explosive earthquake. Fucking yeah. Let me
Can you
just
climb on those pillars or something? Like, how do you get away from the earth for that long?
I feel like there's got to be another. Like there's dodging. B is dodge, and then you have to like I think time like a jump for the AOE stuff. And then these two assholes every time, dude. This is like the fucking the two demons in Hercules. They just keep showing up everywhere.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? Work for
Pain and
Hades.
Panic,
Yeah.
Yep.
These fuckers.
One of them was voiced by Bobcat Goldthwait, believe it or not, which is a real person's real name.
His
And
name
that's
was
mostly
Bobcat?
what yeah.
Is that like a
At
furry
least
thing?
Maybe, you know what? Maybe it was actually a furry thing. Hey, have you ever seen Robin Hood? Speaking of furries.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
All
They
right.
didn't really do enough to... show skin in that movie, but it was really good.
Fuck, he hits like a truck, dude. So
What
when
a
you
big
see
loser.
when you see the explosive earthquake move, put a pog in the chat.
458.
Yeah, put. Yeah. Oh, okay, and then that happens. This is tough.
I don't know that he's easier than the other guy. I
Yeah?
feel like you've hung out in the Guang, whatever his name is, the evil wolf. I feel like you have more endurance time with him.
Endurance. All right. Let's
Can you go and purchase a fucking AR-15 in this game?
that comes after the first part. So I did kind of read ahead in the game guide, and the AR-15, Master Roshi, he actually owns a weapons manufacturing district. And after he teaches you the freeze move, he gives you a fully loaded AR-15. And he says, "Go get him, son." And he lets you yeah. I'm coming after the first guy, the third eye blind, and I'm lighting his ass up. Get my mountain
Use
here.
one for this wolf too.
Yeah, I could. I really could, actually.
A little hunting rifle, if you will.
Shit. No, let me hit you. No, let me hit you. Don't do nothing, but don't do anything. But don't stop. But don't do
He doesn't
anything.
do
Stay
any,
there.
Like ground pound shit, like the other guy did. Like at least
Yeah,
you
I
could
think
stay on the ground and fight him.
Yeah, he's slow, but he's got huge destructive power. And this guy, I think it's in my weight class here. He's like this is like the featherweight versus the heavyweight, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You understand. Oh. Oh, okay. Now do a move. Oh, what's that? Ooh, put some deodorant on, you
Ding.
asshole. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Here we go. Okay. Oh, no, that's just that. See, I wish I had one of those.
What was you going to tell that he was going to do wrong with that a little bit? Ding. God damn.
Oh, you want to take over? You want to try?
Yeah. Pass
All
me
right.
the controller.
Here you go.
Sorry, that's how we played when I was a kid.
Is that right? Is that what you watched on Newgrounds?
Well, that was just the very beginning of what I watched on Newgrounds.
Okay. All right. We'll save that for the next time.
I'm telling
which
you,
by
the game was called Hentai Girl, and she was a kind of a redhead, and you could click buttons, and she simply would do whatever you know what I mean, whatever you could think of. And I remember sneaking down into the computer room. Shout out to when computer rooms were. Did you?
Yeah,
have
a whole
computer
room for your computer.
Yeah. I would sneak down at 4 a.m. on a school night, and I would simply go to Newgrounds, and that was it. You know, that was
Yeah.
a good time for me.
Which next time, this is the only time we're going to play Wukong. Next stream, we're going to have you on. We're going to go to newgrounds.com, and we're going to play all of our favorite games from when we were growing up.
That's right. That's right.
In
We're
any
returning to
particular
your
order.
childhood. We've been saying that.
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm going to go back to Walter and try this again.
I wonder if these pillars are supposed to be utilized in any way.
Oh, you're probably right. All right, I jump
He's
in.
a monkey. You can't climb on that?
Yeah, I don't think he got that monkey trait. Oh, there goes the pillar. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, wait, no, that worked.
Ooh, hey, dude. Look
Okay.
at that.
Okay.
He gets knocked out.
And so do I.
Oh. But that's learning.
That's learning.
So when he bings the pillar, he goes down like my...
Mm-hmm. He does. You're absolutely right. Yeah, what were you thinking of earlier? Barbie Zodiac brings up a great question in
What
the
did
chat.
I think of? I would think of a lot. I mean, I would think of a lot, you know.
What did you want her to do?
I wanted her to, you know, put on a wolf mask and say some shit to me.
I wanted her to play Black Myth Wukong with me.
Yeah. I wanted her to put on a fucking wolf costume and, you know, say say a few words to me about, nourishment, sexual nourishment.
So it is a
did.
sexual thing.
No,
Oh,
not at
no.
all.
No. I'm thinking of something else.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're thinking of not Looney Tunes or something like that. Look at, he gets banged. That's totally a. You know what, though? You can't even, when you're hitting him, it doesn't even, his health bar doesn't even go down.
Yeah, he doesn't even react. I think you're right. I think I have to get him to hit a pillar and then just unload my AR onto him.
But you did hit him after that.
Yeah. I think he was-
Sybil, it's only a sexual thing for some people, okay?
Yeah. Not everybody fits in that furry box, you know what I'm saying?
I do, though.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Hey, when do you think that you would want to play this game again? Just kind of fielding that out.
Yeah, it's a good question. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the sketch.
Because I'm gonna be Wukonging it up pretty much.
Yeah, I think the. Are you gonna play it on stream either way?
Yeah. I think I'll have like a personal game, and then I can leave. Maybe. Oh, I have to look and see if I can have multiple games going. I didn't think about that.
I would say play this one, and if you're streaming it, I can at least see some snippets from VODs and like stay caught up.
Yeah.
Generally, what's a good time? Wednesday nights, but I know that's kind of a thing.
Yeah.
Saturday early is usually pretty good. I don't know how often you have to move people to do your life.
Not consistently on Saturdays, but it's just how that played out. Saturday mornings, work, and probably any other day that you're not already streaming, I can make work. I'm very flexible over here. I can make it work.
You know, it's so amazing. So this Wednesday is my last, at least for a while, group therapy program thing that I'm running.
Yeah.
Where I used to work.
Yeah.
So that closes out. It's Wednesday. It ends at like 8:00 p.m. Eastern. So I'm usually like around after that. But then Wednesdays going forward, I'm free. And Wednesday, I'm usually I'm like preparing for that group therapy thing while Spectral Sybil is live.
Yeah.
So then she thinks that I don't care about her, and she thinks I don't watch her show because I'm kind of working on it. And then Sybil's also live Sunday, which is my one day a week I spend with my wife.
Yeah,
So
and she consciously streams that time too.
She does. She waits for that. So I will actually be telling my wife that I am all set and I simply am done with her so that I can free up some more time. And I think I'll have a lot more of it coming forward.
I'm sure she's gonna love that, and the first thing she's gonna say is, "Are you making your fucking bird campaign again?" I'm like, no, honey, no. I got a new one in the works, but it strangely enough has more birds in it. You can believe that. Yada yada yada.
Which is a children's book series that really completely fucked me up.
All right, I'm about to no-hit this guy. You ready? Ooh.
Nice,
Figured out his pattern now.
Whoa!
Come on.
Right down the middle of the head and a slick, unforgiving fuck you. He didn't even react to that. A charge shot right down between his eyes. He no-sells it and simply kills you.
He's a terrible heel, I'll tell you that.
God, yeah, really.
Didn't get the fucking memo that we're trying to run a show here and trying to entertain people and make sure my guest is happy and who can hear him and see the game and oh man. Which one are you feeling? Are you feeling more Guangxi, the Ego Wolf, or Walter White, the
let's go for Walter White again because I feel like we're getting somewhere with that pillar thing. We just haven't been able to capitalize on it.
Okay. I want it. That's my goal right now. I decided you can't leave until we beat Walter White.
Okay. That's fair.
Let's
My
do
whole
it.
stream, fuck it.
Yeah.
It's-
Dude,
it's
who
gonna
cares
be-
about your anniversary, man? What's
I don't.
another year? Just,
I don't. And
just
listen,
stay
I
here.
told my wife that too. About ours, and I said, that's it. I'm Twitch pilled now.
Yeah.
Yeah, he barely takes his defense. His defense stat is.
Oh shit, they followed me. Oh, I didn't think they'd follow me over here.
Come on, they
Dude.
followed you.
Okay, all right. Wait a second.
Ooh.
Walter's. Oh shit.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's got range. Oh.
But it's good to know you can go that far. Oh, what even happened?
I couldn't tell you. I think my ancestors just came and kicked me in the crotch. Said fucking dishonor on you and your cow and our entire family.
That's right. Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow.
Yeah, that's brutal. All right, so we have to kill the Hades demons here for sure. Also, what does that say about me? I just immediately go to Disney characters for all of these. I'll be honest.
That I'm right there with you.
I hold Disney responsible for a lot of the anthropomorphic tendencies and inclinations. Let's be real. They're guilty of that.
I look at old Disney as just a completely different entity from what it is now.
Can you get
Mushu created with love. Judy Hopps created with horny company
degenerate,
bureaucratic intent.
Yeah. Very perverse thinking there.
Yeah. They wanted people to have SX with Judy Hopps from Zootopia, and unfortunately, it's broken. Oh my god. Nice.
Ooh.
I wonder what's the difference in damage of like a flurry of the little move instead of the charge up big move on a
It's
freeze.
probably a lot more. I think I'm trying to go for like the showstopper immediately, and I need to convert. I need to try and just get little pot shots in, and then maybe save that for when he gets his stagger on the pillar, and then go for broke.
And I don't, as slow as he is, he gets up so quickly. Like, even when he hits the pillar, I don't know if that's even enough time for a charge shot.
All right, so let's just pepper him this time. Get a little Patriot pepper in there.
And I am a patriot, by the way, of the red, white, blue America.
Proud member of the U.S. of A, baby. Woo!
I love voting, and I love the flag.
I love
the
Pledge of Allegiance. I love.
Yeah, that was a very normal thing that they made us all do.
That was really important to indoctrinate us in school with that.
I will do whatever you say.
I will stand and bow and salute the flag forever and always.
I worship the flag, and I will do what you tell me. The end. Did they say the end at the end of the pledge?
Yeah, they close every Pledge of Allegiance with the end. Like a fucking movie. Wow, he just does not care.
That's what it is. That the end.
Yeah, the end. To infinity and beyond. Oh, this guy. Yeah, he's really important for this fight. He really wanted to make sure he showed up for this one. Oh,
Samim says, when I first watched Zootopia, it didn't seem sexual. Yeah, right, you liar.
You lie.
Rumpus would go with Judy Hopps any day of the week, and I know.
Yeah, Rumpus is a Judy freak. You can't convince me otherwise.
Oh my
let's
God.
go.
That's such a bullshit move he has. He doesn't even look like he should get that much air, and he just knees you in the mouth.
Oh, you crying? You sad, Walter?
He is the danger. Here he comes knocking,
Oh,
baby.
shit. I have no juice. I have no monkey juice left.
Go to newgrunts.com. You could have plenty of juice.
Oh, back up.
He kind
He's
of
gonna
gets
do
a
it
little
again.
clogged up there, but yeah, he gives you time.
Come on. You big bitch.
Shit.
Am I not good enough, buddy? Can I not get like one?
I think you're not good enough, and I hate to say it. And this is about you as a person. This is not about the game. I don't think you're good enough.
Yeah. You're probably right.
And I think you should say it out loud.
You say it with me?
Yeah.
I pledge allegiance
To the flag.
to the flag
of the
of
United,
the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The end.
The end.
Got it. Amen. Yeah.
Now your gameplay is going to be fused with the power of Uncle fucking Sam, baby.
Woo!
Let's get this. Can we get some American flags in the chat?
Get 'em
We're about
going.
to go fight this boss in the power of America on our side.
I
the
need
power of Christ.
USA's blue,
Uncle
red, white, and
fucking
blue.
Sam, baby. Let's go.
Get it. You gotta want it. You gotta want it in this monkey monk world. It's like Master Roshi said, become the scarab and abandon all sense of humanity.
Absolutely. It's
Yeah.
like Master Roshi said, crack open a can of Coors Light while you're sucking on the fucking pole of the flag, baby.
That's right.
Because you love this country.
Fucking bang.
So those little moves don't even do anything. I
Yeah,
guess
and then he
fair.
freaking just hand of Ra fucking
Jesus.
summons
That's what
the
America
power.
gets you.
Wow.
God.
Wow.
So much for this country, huh?
Yeah, I know. We're fucked, dude. You like Saturdays?
Yeah, I like morning Saturdays, but it would be like some Saturdays. That's
Okay.
kind of what I'm looking at.
I'll take what I can get. Whatever you got.
The other times that would work really great for me are like when you're probably working.
I
Like,
know, yeah.
Really open is Monday all day, all afternoon.
All
you know?
specifically, yeah, when I'm clocked in doing my fucking
Yeah.
day job, yeah. Damn. Well, good news. I'm quitting my day job and I'm just gonna be a
Yes.
Wukong streamer, and that's
Yes.
the
And
God's honest
proud
truth.
To be an American, where at least I know I'm free.
Yeah. What do you think of this one? Yeah. What do you think of that, buddy? What do you think of
up
that,
the
Walter?
fucking Binger. There you go.
Oh shit. Whoa, okay, I'm getting it. I'm actually, you know what? I think that Pledge of Allegiance did something. It unlocked a Patriot that I never knew I had. A Patriot
There you
wolf
go,
inside
there
of
we
me.
go. Oh my God.
Here it is. Here's the big,
Dude,
here's the,
holy shit.
come on. Big bastard. Ooh. Okay, that one wasn't so good.
It was hard offense, though. That was really good. And
That's
you
the
got out
most-
at a good time.
Most I've done in a minute. All right. Oh, so sorry. Actually, you're frozen now. Yeah, okay, so you can stagger him after the little combo hits. That's what you need to do. You just can't be afraid. You can't let the
Oh,
fear
you're
into your heart.
destroying it. This is the best run yet, by far.
No! Walter! Stop!
Oh, I jinxed it.
Okay.
I jinxed it. I was the little brother who's like, "This is the best you've ever done," and then you're like, "Shut up!
Shut up!
fucker."
Don't say anything! Chris, what's up, buddy?
I used to play when I was playing games with Tony Beeswax growing up. Sometimes, like, I would have to leave the room or like exit the room altogether, and one of us has got the controller sweating.
Yeah.
And it's like, "Go away! Don't even listen to this! don't even hear
don't
this!"
even look at me. I know exactly what you're talking about. No one is safe now that Chris Mack has landed.
I just landed and came here, and Vance is fucking over the game.
Oh shit! You didn't do that before. Get him. All right.
Ooh.
Walter. Walter. Oh shit! He's doing his ground pound. He's doing his Donkey Kong smash.
So what was getting him to stagger so much? Just little moves over and over again?
Yeah, he was like peppering him. Kind of gives you a second where Okay. Well, that wasn't a really good example of that, but it was like, it's sort of like you get through like waves of his defense, and then like he'd get right to about charging up, and then when you finish a combo, it staggered him, and that's how I was able to get through. But it's the big slam attacks that I'm having trouble with, like spacing.
Always the big slam, you know what I mean?
And welcome to the jam.
All right. Come on and slam if you wanna jam.
Everybody get up, it's time to Kong now. We got a real woo going in. Welcome to the Bass Jam.
Go to newgrunge.com if you feel fine.
You got a hentai girl to overtime. Welcome to the Woo Kong. It's new grounds to the town.
And she does what you want on a new grind.
All right.
She can't look at you, so you feel secret. You are afraid when people look at you during intimacy. Yeah.
Yep. Two times. Okay, I think I understand now. Oh! Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Oh!
Oh, you got the high knee to the fucking mouth.
Captain Falcon, my ass, just flying knee to oblivion. Fuck. All right, I got like, or are you saying like 30 minutes? You got like 5 more minutes. Your timer.
I got like 5 more minutes. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Here we go.
This is the run right here.
Can I get some monkeys? Can I get some ape jams? Can I get some apes monkey swings? I added a bunch of emotes. I didn't even mention it at the top. I was so frustrated. I didn't even talk about what I did for the stream today. Okay. Overall, I'd say it was a great success. All right, asshole. Fucking giant axe. Oh, and then, yeah, I already know you're going to follow me all the way over there, and Walter's going to be like, dude, get him! Get his ass! Get out of here. Okay, now the grunts are dead. Now we can focus. I also think I've leveled up like 9 times or something trying to get through here. I should probably do that, huh? That might actually help. Actually using my self-advancements and my gourd powers. Stamina recovery, that would be good. Stamina agility is good. Let's get some Survivor, the show Survivor in here. Martial arts, I'm gonna awaken that. I got, oh my god, dude, I have so many powers. Look at this. Light attack start, sure. Okay, watch this. Watch me fight him and beat him first try now. Okay. He's crying. He doesn't like it. Ooh. Okay. There we go. There we go. Into the pillar. Yes! There's no crying in baseball, Walter. Do you see that? You see the finesse?
What? You just withstood that.
Yeah, I just freaking Wukonged. What do you got, Walter? Do it. Oh, no. I'm sorry. Oh.
Nice.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here's another pillar for you, Walter. Can't cook your crystal meth now, can you? You
And he
blue
is blue,
bastard.
too.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh! Damn it. Last chance. Last try. Here we go.
Son of a bitch.
If you've been here hanging out today, thank you so much. I need every monkey that you can find. Every emote that even slightly resembles a monkey. I need you to summon the ape army. And we're going to do a very special song for this one. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Let's do this. Let's go back in time a little bit. I'm gonna take you back in time, back to young Shogundi, and play a fucking banger here. You ready? You ever heard of Galantis? Get him flying in the chat.
Come on, everybody. Hype it the fuck up.
I need
this
to
is
see
the run.
Get you excited. Visualize it. Yeah, get him flying across the screen. Yanni knows what to do.
PC, 4chan, Orla.
You all are
Barbie,
wonderful.
Toad, Samim,
Yeah.
Gnomes, Camel Cody,
Monkey.
Dex, Ponder, my bro.
Ponder, so good to
This
see
is
you,
gonna be the
dude.
big job.
Come on. Oh, not today.
Nice.
Not today. Oh, his headbutt. I didn't know he had a headbutt. Why didn't you tell me about the headbutt?
I wanted you to be surprised when I programmed it in.
So you are playing the game.
As the enemy.
Come on. Come on, Walter. Do something.
He won't. He won't.
Nah.
Oh, shit.
Come on. Yeah, get down. Get his ass.
Dang.
Literally get his ass. Oh, shit. No! Keep him going. Keep him going. I see him flying in my periphery. Don't stop now. We're doing it.
Oh. I don't want to hype it up, but you guys, this is the best run he's ever done.
Come on, Walter. Come on.
No fucking way.
Come on,
no
Walter.
fucking
Yes!
way. Oh my god, dude. No way. In the 11th hour.
Cat's eye beads. Blood of
At
the Iron
ex-
Bull.
Dude, holy shit. In the 11th hour, Shogundi deals the final blow.
Couldn't have done it without you, buddy.
Absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
Listen, I was nervous that when I started talking at the end there, I was going to have fucked the whole thing up for you. But
No, you powered me up, dude. Everyone. All the monkeys, all the dancing. Thank you.
thank you. Thank you for having me on. And
Yeah,
thank you,
oh.
everybody, for tuning in. I'm excited to do this again. I'm absolutely freaking thrilled. I've got to go prepare my own show. We start in 30 minutes on Cartoon Therapy, the 1-year anniversary. And in many ways, I can truly think of no better way to kick that off than to play a game with one of my freaking broys that I've met on this incredible platform. Can we give it up for Shogundi? If you're here, if you haven't followed, if you haven't given him $50 million United States cash, Shogundi is a true patriot. I've never met somebody that believes in America so fucking much ever before. And I love you.
I love you. And I want to say, I mean this. I want you to listen to this. You are so inspiring, and I can't wait to see what next year holds. And in 2 years' time, we're going to be playing 2 Kong on this stream. 2 years time, two Kong, two brothers. We're gonna do Wukong Fest, Woo Fest, if you will, 2027. Be here. Mark your calendars. It's going down.
Wukong, 2 Kong, and the Woo dogs will be out, and they are Oscar Mayer hot dogs with mustard on them, but we like to call it Woo sauce. Enjoy the rest of your stream, and I will fly off into the night. Thank you again for having me. I will see you later, my bro.
We'll see you soon. Thank you again. Take care. Bye, buddy. Okay. Now he's gone. Let me tell you something. Put this away. Get this away. Let me tell you something. Don't look at that. Don't look over there. Thank you guys so much. This has been incredible. Give it up for Vince, dude. Cartoon Therapy making his first appearance on the Shogundy stream. All of you know him. Everyone here is from Cartoon Therapy, but I just want to say today has been incredible. I had such a hard start to my day, and all of you being here and supporting and hanging out with us and watching us goof off and just talk about, I don't even know what we talked about. I'll be honest, I blacked out there for half of those conversations. This was amazing. This was one of the coolest things I think I've ever done, and I've done a lot on Twitch, but to be here with you all and hang out has been a blast. Thank you, Corny Midland, TC, Toad Sparks, Bow to the Bard, Bow to the Beard. I've been meaning to correct myself on that. I'm so used to hearing him say it. Bow to the Beard. It's good to see you. Gnomes, Orla, Samim, Cody, freaking OGs are in here. Michelle, Ponder. Oh, man. You guys are great. Boss Shogundy. Dude. So we got the powers. What is this? Did I not get it before? Cannot absorb spirits without guidance. I can't even absorb his spirit. Shit. All right, we killed Walter, but at what cost? We can't even learn how to cook crystal meth from it. Damn it. Boo. All right, well, Walter's dead, so at least we know now. We can... Damn it. All that, I can't even absorb spirits. Hey, what are you doing over here? Oh, man. How do you even top that? That was incredible. We were talking, we were riffing, we were sharing stories, and after all that, we beat Walter, and I can't even absorb his power. Oh, man. I think I know what our raid message is going to be, too. When we eventually, whenever he goes live, we're going to send it over to Cartoon Therapy. We're going to raid in and just... I cannot tell you how grateful I am to be doing this. Everything about this morning and today was, like, really trying to stop me from streaming. And I called them. I was like, buddy, I'm having a day, and I'm really trying to, like, turn it around. And just being able to do this together, and... We've been talking about like hanging out, and then like we found out we both are super excited for Wukong, and all of you guys being here just was insane. I am just beside myself in all of this, and so many of you have like kept up with me, even if he wasn't here. I'd like to think that I'm getting to know so many of you and spending time and just rediscovering my love for streaming all over again. It's so cool. Get it later. I'll stay there until it's collected. Thank you, Michelle. I appreciate you. This game does look really cool. I'm definitely going to check it out once I get it set up. Yeah, TC, this is nuts. This is like, I've been waiting on this game for years. All of us have. If you've heard anything about it, like, I just immediately was like, I need to play Wukong. And we're here, and we got it. And we got Vince on, and we got to play together and just talk our shit and hang out. Like, what a time to be alive, man. What a fantastic idea this was. I can't wait to do it again. Need to kill the next boss up ahead before you can recollect it. Oh, so we do have to kill Self-Loathing guy. We have to kill the ego boss. The ego lord, the Bing Lord of the ego. I'm glad you did stream. This has been great. Yeah, dude, this was nuts. I totally forgot too that I ordered a sandwich like 2 hours ago. I meant to eat it. I want to say, all that stuff about furries before, I have no idea what he's talking about. I was just trying to be nice. That was weird. That was bizarre. Like, I don't know if it was the cider talking, like overriding. It brought something out, or maybe it was the wolf people and the crows. Listen, I don't know anything about that, okay? I'm just a guy. I'm just a normal dude eating a sandwich, playing Black Myth Wukong. Sure. Yeah, sure. Yeah, you guys get it. You know the deal. We all got a little furry in us. It's okay. There's no need to be ashamed. Just messing. All that stuff I agreed to, I was under immense pressure. Yeah. It was the lights. The lights they're cooking me, I had a beer. I didn't have a lot to eat today. I was fatigued. I was in a fugue state. My ancestors, they came to me in a dream, in a visage, and they warned. Look, this is one of them actually right here. He came to me in a dream and he said, "Shogundi, you need to listen to Vince. You need to listen about the Pledge of Allegiance. It's a scam. They're trying to indoctrinate you. They're trying to brainwash you and all of the children of America. They're trying to turn you into soldiers and drones and worker bees." And I was like, I don't know what's going on, Grandpa. Whoa, fucking, I gotta get out of here. And he's just fucking... And then I woke up here as a monkey man. That's all I remember. Who was even here a second ago, guys? Who was that? I feel like I would feel like I was looking in a mirror. I feel like I was like talking to myself. This is like the two wolves. You know what I'm saying? Like one wolf, two minds, or two wolves, one mind, one Wukong. Does that make any sense to anybody? Is anybody even still here? One's in the chat if you understand what Black Myth Wukong is about, or if you've gained any sort of appreciation for this game from the last, I don't know, how long have we been live? 3 hours? 4 hours? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. The ones are in. The ones have it. Oh man, I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped to celebrate with you guys too over on Cartoon Therapy. It's really been, I feel like a lot of, obviously, our conversations, right, are just like meeting like-minded people and finding new ways to be creative and collaborate and share. And man, like, so much of this past year I think is coming back to sense of self and authenticity and all that good stuff we talked about before. But more than that, I just feel so lucky and I feel so grateful that like I have friends that I've never met, but I just feel like we've been hanging out for years already. Like it's only probably been about like 6 or 7 months since I got sent over by Foxy Katie, shout out by the way, incredible streamer, traveling around Europe currently, doing the IRL stuff, and she sent me over to Vince, and I found a home, and I found all of you hanging out here with me now. It's so wild how all this stuff works, and you've been so kind and generous, sharing your gifts and your bits and your monkeys and subbies and wubbies and Walters, and just I could not ask for more. And I'm gonna tell you this, I'm gonna ask politely to never give any more money to me ever again. Enough is enough. We've had enough. We are good. Your time is all that is expected of you. Do not gift, do not sub, do not do anything else. We are good today. Thank you. Just being here
Shog
is
on
enough.
the board. Shog on the board.
Shog is in fact on the board. We killed Walter. We're on the board now. 4chan Yanni, thank you for the bits. Thank you for the Shog on the board. Oh. Which reminds me, we need to go back and we need to finish what is it? Not the first one. It's Shadow of War? Shadows of War? We say in Gangania 51 whenever you get married. 51. 51's in the chat. Let me see him. Mel, thank you for the 51. You guys are so sweet. Try and stop me from giving you my Prime every month. I'm trying, Toad Sparks. I did everything. I even sent you a laptop. Can you believe that? I'm trying to get Toad Sparks off my back. I'm like, buddy, you can spend that Prime anywhere, and you just keep giving it to me. You're too kind. Ow. All right, buddy. Guangzi, if that even is your real name. Watch this. I'm going to do what I did to my buddy Walter to you tenfold, all right? If you watch Any part of my stream, you know, we hate Walter, and we spent 2.5 hours trying to kill him. Come on, come get you some. Come get you a dollop. Come get a dollop of Daisy right now. Guangzi, the ego wolf in our mind, our competitive selves that we must starve and feed the creative wolf instead. Oh, I was on fire. That's what it was. I was dying of fire. You see my message, Shogundi? The boss that you need is a giant wolf boss that has an item necessary to collect whatchamacallit, the big baby left behind. Oh, I don't think I've found the big wolf boss. Is this not the big wolf boss? Is it not Guangzi? I thought it might have been Guangzi. I found another one a second ago, but I don't remember who it was. Bat, thank you for the 100 bits, dude. I appreciate you. You an OG. You a real one. We go way back. Way, way back, as the Vitamin Pug channel loves to say. We go way back. And it's so good to have you here, and thank you for all the love and support. And go follow Bat BEE, y'all. She is also a very talented, very impressive streamer. I am desperately trying to catch one of your late night streams, but I am old man. I suffer from old manness, and I usually am not awake at the times you are live. But one of these days, I'm gonna get in there, I'm gonna hang out, and I'm gonna give it back to you tenfold. Rest assured. Way back to Shovel Knight. Yeah, I was thinking we should come back to Shovel Knight too. For a lot of the new people, I first started streaming. The first game I ever played was Shovel Knight, and we beat it. We streamed it, I think, over 4 days, right? Uh-oh. We streamed it over 4 days and beat it. That's one of the only games we've ever beaten fully on the channel, and I think it might be time to go back. I think it's time to reignite and take on the Shovel Knight gauntlet. After we beat Wukong, maybe we'll go back and we'll do some Shovel Knight. Okay, buddy, need you to knock it off. Yeah, let me drink some of this. Oh. Yep. He looks like Master Splinter. He looks like a giant Master Splinter. Like a Rat Man. Not my favorite fursona, but I'll take it. Ooh. Yep. So he does like 2 to 3 combo moves. Oh. Oh, shit. Do it again. Yeah, see, 2 to 3 is his sweet spot. Oh, okay, yeah, he does the flaming pinwheel. Come on. All right, that's fair. That's fine. Here, do it again. Oh no! Oh, did you get frozen? Oh, so sorry. Drink my potion. Drink my potion. Oh, that was close. All right, I'm out of juice. I'm out of monkey juice. I gotta get him. 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 Here we go. Guangzi. The freaking pole master. Oh. Yeah. That was a 2 bag. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. We got him. We got him. Oh no! So close, dude. The wolf boss is close to where you fought Big Baby. Oh, he's back on that side. Yeah. Shovel Knight. Yeah. Charles, you were there. You remember. I remember seeing you beat Shovel Knight, and I copied myself and stayed up late, so late playing it. Yeah, dude. I think I got here at the end of that. I definitely remember you playing Borderlands. Yeah, so we moved from that. We did Okami. We played Borderlands. I was trying to become an Apex Legends streamer way back in like 2018, 2019, and then COVID happened, and then I think I stopped streaming for a good bit. I think everything just kind of stopped happening for a little bit, to be fair. Oh, did he say something? Oh, whoops. Let's go the other way. Let's see if what Michelle was saying, if he's over here. I take it you're playing this game as well, right? It's crazy how long 28... Yeah, dude, it feels like 20 years ago at this point, TC. Romany Cobb, it's good to see you too, brother. I hope you're doing well. Glad you made it. Oh, is it this? Is it over here? Is this where Baby lives? Or, no, Baby was over here. But is this where the other guy is? We have about 10 more minutes. I'm really just stalling so we can raid Cartoon Therapy. Memories. Yeah, don't worry, dude. I'm trying to stay steady schedule, so it's not really. I got you. Yeah, you're all good. Other platform. What was that one called? I don't remember. I don't recall. I also remember you were a Mixer for a while. That's right. Yeah, we tried doing Mixer. It was Xbox's streaming solution, and then that went really well. Yeah, I think we were trying out Mixer, and we did a couple streams over there, but I came back to Twitch just because I already had a lot of the other stuff integrated and set up, and then I guess Mixer died, closed out or something. Look at this, dude. Look at this. This game is gorgeous. I know we joke a lot, and we were memeing and hanging out in the first couple of hours, but this game is stunning. I'm so glad that there was like not a lot of latency either for him too, because that was my fear, was like we get everything set up and working and then, you know, can't really tell what's going on, or like I would have had to have found another way to stream my game to him while simultaneously streaming on Twitch. And that worked out really well. I'm actually super excited about that. I'm going the wrong way. Okay, good. Well, there really is no wrong way per se in Wukong. I think the joy is the journey, and the journey is finding your joy in all things, like these assholes that are ganging up on me right now. All right, can I drink my juice? Can I please have a sip of my apple juice, please? Can you not? Can you not, Mr. Oni Savage? Yeah, you are a piece of shit, and then you're a piece of shit, and I'll tell you why. Number one, you can't even take 2 hits from me without dying. Number 2, fuck off. All right, let's go back. Yeah, I just went down the first little tunnel that I saw, so odds are this was not going to be the right way. But I love this. I love just being able to run around and fight random people, and like it's tough. Like the timings are really, you got to pay attention. You got to get your jumps and your dodge rolls timed just right. I'm so used to parrying from Elden Ring and trying to block attacks and raising my poise. So this is a bit different, but I like it. It feels a lot more fluid. It feels like when you start get it going, and like how we beat Walter, I was like, okay, I'm kind of finding a stride here. I like jumping and freezing and flashing and jumping around. This is cool. No, it really is. Forgot to tell you that till you brought it up. Yeah, it was a thing. Something. Boom, roasted. What was that what happened? I know Ninja moved on there. Yeah, and then so everybody tried to become Ninja, and then I guess it just didn't work out. Like they didn't really ever do anything with it, so sucks to suck. But we're back on Twitch, and it's okay. We made it in the end. I forget which way specifically, but I know watching several playthroughs already, the wolf boss is near the big baby, because you're actually supposed to beat him before Big Baby. Wow, so I was supposed to fight Big Wolf Man, but I beat Big Baby, Walter. So what you're saying is I'm a god gamer, and I'm the best Wukong player in the world right now, because everybody else did it a different way, but I did it the Tukong way. Because Tukong is going to be our game. Cartoon Therapy and I are making a video game called Black Myth Tukong, and it's gonna come out next year, and it's gonna be great, and we're gonna play 100 hours of it, non-stop marathon, live and in person. He's gonna come to me. He's gonna be here with me next time, and we're gonna play. We're gonna take turns. We're gonna hand the controller and drink cider and eat pizza and go to Newgrounds and all of that. It's gonna be a whole thing. Just built different, yeah. And the Shogongons, dude. I cannot believe after all of the conversations and just getting to know so many people from his community, I actually got my own little cartoon Shogongon. That is amazing. Look at him. He's so cute. He's got a little beard and sunglasses, glasses, and red hair just like me. Just like me. He looks just like me. That's what the streets are saying. Yeah, these streets don't lie. You're already way ahead of the curve. Thank you, Corny, dude. I appreciate you. I know you're, I think, newer here, and I saw you had dropped a follow, so I appreciate your support and hanging out with us today. My name on the Casters Guild Discord has changed due to the guild decree you made referencing Elden Ring. Wow, it's been that long, huh? I was just thinking about that the other day too, Toad Sparks. That's so funny. I guess Ninja lost his partnership and moved to Mixer, and after that he went back up to Twitch again. I think that's what happened. Yeah, and then now it's like they do the same thing with Kick, and someone gets banned from Twitch, they go to Kick, and then they wait for their ban to come undone, or they make an OnlyFans. I don't know. Listen, I ain't here to get famous. I ain't here to blow up and you know, go to Jimmy Kimmel and get slimed like Spectral Sybil, okay? I'm just over here playing my fun little Wukong game. I like doing artwork. I like doing, you know, little fun, inspirational type stuff. So if that's your vibe, you found home here with me and with all of us. Again, I just want to say a big thank you to everyone's generosity, your contributions, the bits, the subs, the gifts, the hype. It's been unbelievable this week. On and offline. The Ghost Train, I'm still like, I'm losing sleep over that. Like, I could not believe the primes, the like everything. It's been unbelievable, and I've cried enough this week, so we're all set on that, but I just want to take another moment to say how grateful and appreciative I am of all of you. Have I stalled long enough? Has the man gone live yet? Can we go and send the love over to Cartoon Therapy? No. Okay. Can you hear me knocking? Oh, he is live. All right, let's set up a raid. Let's do it. Thank you guys so much for being here. Today was awesome. I can't wait to keep playing more Wukong, but we have a celebration to get to, and I want you guys to go in Cartoon Therapy. Oh, I had music going for a second. Our arrival is perfect. We're going to raid out. Raid message. Walter defeated, and then we can put a Shogun or Walter defeated, Wukong raid, and Walter defeated. I gotta hurry, we're going. Shogun gone. Wukong raid love. All right, copy and paste that message. I'll see you guys soon. We're gonna go celebrate over at Cartoon Therapy. Today's been incredible. I love you all very much. I can't wait to play more of this game. I can't wait to collaborate and all the other crazy stuff that we've got going on. Walter defeated. Wukong raid. Send it on over. We'll see you in the next one. Be good, be safe, be kind, be nice to Vince. Let's see what he's got in store for us, yeah? I'll see you next time.